aha eya Adom TV na minimise woni dwumadi a wani go so hwei enkrashensem me am tidwamu a me dwumadi di ho chiame me wo somfo Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego na me ma akwaba e de badwumadi we so ene so me twere krata ma me ni aketoa kwa me na no twere me eka sembebre ena sesei ensu ntankura ha ena sesei ya breo ya kwa me ma me ka bibi nkyere o. Every problem in life is a business. Every problem or how bia ejina homa business. Kwa me so hu mobile phone me ma wo no. Papa bi hu se how ebi wo a ema akwantufo. Just wo tu kwan ntimi ntam phone na so fie mfa ntu kwan. Na e how. Na se so odwene kwan mi obefa so na wonam a obenya phone. So how na odwene ho a opa no aduro no. And so the mobile phone e buy. And I'm a kind of how be a business at the mobi. And how be abrabomwa. And you have better about so bo. And yes, soon I better about to soon. Nebi sounds so hano, a draw ben a bit with that can hano. Now I'm for swadia mammy, and you'll be our ben. And I'm a kind of podcast and will say, every problem in life is a business. Here nano. Papa be so. Ohwa se na mo akomde yen enti se be trafako ache brode nya koto no ba bi ne de o che brode ndi gu roba mu a wona mo na owe eno ne plantain chips how bia o wiase bia no e wa no aduro enti kwa me ye ho bia wo famu no ensu emosobo na bisa won se ha no etesen de na be famu ayo na de sakramu aba na eso aso aba ema obi na empomfaso aba oso ene obi so ohaba anwo nko aho ohaba anwo nko aho ya na ohaba dwemo ne obi ho na oya na betua woka sebo ya ade ma obi nsa so da chi a na nkwa mo hia wo beda wase esin se wo ya ma nko aho enti hwe bebia wo nampe na hwe obi o kromu ho hwe hunu se your experiences can imprison your creativity and your progress. Nia wo famu ne dai nia nananam famu ena wo ye anya yie ena ofa ha anko yie eno ye sabisua hunu atwamko na nia ato wo no kwamben so ena befa ye niye. Don't look at your experience manual, look at what you can learn to make life better. Nia afamu di afamuko nia ato ye no ayesua hunu ye mfanto babi nia mbisa ho kwa betimi afa so ade safata na akwa animu nyesa na ano obi aware enye timi so me kware asara be kɔ no wana ka kire wo onko ade betimi adimu agina yie nyina so ne so be pe odo obuo ne kasapa abubura obi di anya yie a onye obi kwame wo ye kwame nyahunu say there are a lot of people who are going to die with a lot of talents na no me mkraha me kofa ba bi e fa awodo me before na me bo su na me do mi su sa se nipa na wu sei kwame yesu a me su nya furu na da ho no na nimdia wo da kwasase ase a wana na die. Every soul lost, we lost a lot of inventions and products. Okra bi ya pare no no ya pare nimdia suahunu ani emponioma betimi ade abo ye ho bra ana die nyina ye empo enhyeso a ode bon abrabo dia na me do asama do a yesu a me so no enye emunu keke na mamnioma ode akɔhye fom na me no kwame yedi yewu emma asamado enya mfaso bi ada ma ye nna ma wo ye mu adi ye mosuko enko ye mu ye bibi enye oman ebosua ene ye ho hwe ye si so no ye ko school wo wi aba krache no abotai na ko transfers ene wonne na apeso ban kran ye sa na yakopon bo me no kwame onyame de ade bi dua wo mu o ma me so bi se me no me o mama ye nya se ye nyina apese obi beji adwumam ne yemi se ho se de na yeso be ya ye beji obi wa adwumam e de na be ya yeso obi betu be dan ye kwame we na me di jaw e de na also be ya obi be dan wo. It is time you learn to discover your passion and bring it to bear on society instead of seeking to be like everybody else. Obi apeso yo so obi na brand bi crash am ya ni te ko beso me yesa wo me o peso yesa me ene ye krado obebre papa me be me free ba ma beduru ha no me ka so ko fa obedwane ensin kete nye se meda suane ameyo no na fa ye wo de na de ndimu ebe ama so ye nkranhye hene ebe a wo ye adwumafuro suane ameyo no na wo so fa bo ho ban na ye de se fatama ho kwame ana meja wo mesere maka kire wo se nia wo nimi yo no ye ma ho nte ye kuadwuma kenten na wo yo empogari na wo yo enwo ye ma ho nte na amanfo mpum he emetobi en Canada so person ye so obi ono na also da soronko aha na meja wo me nua kwa me wo kira so bete menka na wo nya me hwe me de me de onyame eja
say any crunchen sama wo de abraye de do so no ye badwam kase ensem no ne obetie wo mu bi ni waye ke de to abatan no mani men na ye mofra no kwa akotwe won BC you know sre mobile phones ne niema bi a ebe hadwen won so hwede mo de wo hwe so obetwe won ho afri mu ye do no ebe bro na fe yakọ ahweye hwe communication eso ene se data eye telecell MTN ana Airtel Tigo ya tete so no eno ne sembi na no pay obete sa Adom TV bedroom kase share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwa adomonline.com ensemo eni bebre wo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den ensem ni chemu ankasa etie waye kempanifo na ekasai ene nyame ya doma BC sohwe no ehase wo mayi ntwe ahodo ni nyina mu na no mo no public relation officer e de afutu okokobo ene ma abatan no mso obesere di mu a mobile phone so no ne ade na wo ma ho no de nei e de kosi da wo bewie sohwe no de won hwe so obegye efi won semu
omwade yetimi aboa ehun yie pa eye examination logistics answer booklets objective answer cards pencils ne nyoma nkola de behia wo examination center so nyina ye de akoma omo afenso question papers ye de emankola na omo answer nyina no yetumi ayi nyina ho adwuma na personnel nso a omo ekọ miamia kọhwe examination no so no omo nyina nso etumi akọduru bi a ewo se wo muduru ntimetimi aka se ahomoade yetumi aboa ye ho a nyame adoma 11th June 2025 betimi ahye BEC na se medical ene awofo akasa awofo me pesa me ka se ebia obi ewa akola bia ofa drobi na ebia virtually every hour and as some time in the day was so ofa drone na omo modern say akola na ekwa or the drone be corner wetumi afa se awofo na nkasa ntimi nkwa omitumi di eja achechrefo na ehwe nkola no so se be ya emre no so a akola ntumi afa na drone the tosu mi no se wo ye parent na se wato mobile phone ama oba me paucho at this time no seize phone fi oba no ho ma temptation mia ma se or the beko examination center na or the akoje emwabi afi obia ho afensu yentu ye manefo se wo moko no obia nkoye independent work mobia nka se ofa kaprebra fa sempo abra na me ma wapo omoboa apo bia ni
osofo a wo hwe communication so yes Sam Nete George ene ne wo kasa ne nsam ne yefua ne se ene data ye togu ye phone so se ye telecell se ye Airtel Tigo and MTN no on what it is so
Airtel Tigo Ghana 80 Ghana a 10% increase in all data bundles currently offered by the network. Additionally, the 400 Ghana CD bundle, which currently offers 195 gigabytes of data, will now offer 236 gigabytes of data. Ghana Telecommunications Company Limited, Telecell. Also, a 10% increase in all data bundles currently offered by the network. Their 400 Ghana CD bundle, which currently offers 90 gigabytes, will offer 250 gigabytes from 1st of July. Scancom Ghana Limited, MTN. A 15% increase in all data bundles currently offered by the network. And I'm pleased to announce the restoration of the 399 Ghana cedi bundle, which currently has been changed to the 350 cedi bundle that offers 92.88 gig, will henceforth be reinstated to 214 gig for 399 Ghana cedis.
Yet was so ne kuma wamra shebe fimu na ene national Ghana National Registered Midwife Association Edin Komwe. Ose aban ne suban no wo strike no de nyame anim ne nkoyi nanso obesre wo mani de mu anfo ani nto oman wona won hudodo won dan kaja kasa kire no nkoso no nhye wonyuma se.
We in minority don't believe that the nurses are at any fault. It is their right. They are seeking their right. I would want to know any of you who think this is not justified in Appendix A of their CBA. Is it the issue of rural incentive allowance that was agreed? That is meant for nurses and midwives in the rural areas so that we can have nurses and midwives in the rural area. Which of them would you say is not legitimate? Is it the issue of full allowances, which has been historical since 60s for these people? Is it the issue of uniform allowance, which has been there since the 1960s? It couldn't have been changed in any republic, and it cannot be changed under a previous government. It cannot be changed now. We are here to plead with the nurses to understand that even if governments see the need to engage them, they should go with the good faith with Ghanaians at heart. Because getting all the money without the lives that we have lost brings no joy to anyone.
Yantoaso na wasankomo we mu no Fair Wages and Salaries Commission penifo estre wo mo sankebeya strike ne de won mu enyai ebrankomodie ekosi.
Private sector na dem nhihye yisi ya anka union anka sempo wo private sector no ba one employer ho abakacha employer do employer ye court na mu wekesi ni nti yebesre na yen shift yen for implementation date no na yentumi yen implement ona na ye hwehwe obian 10 nurses minimum na yedwuma pa ne won mpemfo ni anim de wo yonko form do won ne ye no yedwuma so nti yentumi yen sheda yen kada ye ha won ehwem so critically a obelusi bibia not necessarily because ehwa say 2024 no mpona abantu me implementing pa anka at that time na inflation na 52% na cedi devaluation na de nka obetum wa say once kanini but this year no with the inflation situation improved na cedi so appreciating if we start the implementation at least obo won ankasa so kakra and we are looking at a holistic situation ye pere ye bo ma no na ye bo nurses na so nti ye kede ye hweko one side ye can implement na say ye be create a hole in the budget, ye create another crisis wo budget ma no abe bibi ho ye nkade ye implement yes say one may shift implementation na yentimi yen start implementation from in that case who nia wonenwa wonenwa baje obenya won condition survey na abana so obenya that fiscal space
yankwa santemantemo na Komfanoche teaching hospital na ye boy ray abeto dwa se HR ne office ye human resource manager ne office ne de nipa bia kwa lock na yenim botaye no entia na mobunchemu a yenya ye free mu eni
say ewie na Captain Jabari me boss original security coordinator e frame me say asemo a wati ni say nkrofobia be lock HR office no so membra na membehwe me bedru yen so ampa na ye de chain ne padlock mienu atum so na e wo se me call Komfanoche police unit na e wo ha no enu omukodi nkomo en na ye invite security guys are no more around nti wo nso kan de see kire say some guys been a buy in the name of national security but from me and my boss Captain Jabari no yen sanction obia yen soma obia say ombe bibisa so we are not aware of anything enye yen so na yasoma obia say ombe sadin
Asemia esiye ewo human resource unit ewo konfonoche ka ho bi ema emu adwumayefo na wo nyina ewreho isa bonyonya ewo adwuma no monten so eno na Adom kase ene deputy regional security coordinator nkomobom wode to so
se ya ba be to say any poster ye be hu ye ensem e was directed to HR no afei na ye ni police e be din sawoso na ye wura mu ya do asem suko ehu se e internal anase ifri baby na eba eno no minim se ye ni police fo nyina ye djuma na edru sa anso a I think there was a de to manim no
Enya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be ma kwan na ye de asi ye da semre ne adaje a wode ma ye wada wo ma twen ye na ye mfa da bon krata no ene online de no to so ye kwa basisia ya da radio sese nenso wahu ye mobo na wo kan ne mapa no so mene umienu wode yaka ho bie ye da na se papa pa senyo no a anka pobi a wo mo boye sanke ye na mumu bra ye si fom efri mpa no eso anase ye nkoto amane bi mu no anka nyo no a kenyo no a timesro kai de awurade aye ne fa na se da man nyene nyina na uhu nso we bi oyi wu firi mu amana bi etu wo woni mu anka wukoto mu a awurade ayi ye firi mu no nyene nyina na uhu ene nyene nyina so na yesika ti sade a chen na nkwane ahoden bibia wo ho wo sore na wonan no egina so onsa wani akoma no ye na adwuma moja na di afurisa na se de sefata de a awurade me da se de wo ka ense hwe emfa ho no usika no babia kodro emfa ho ni din no se de obowura babia na obi age wo so no emfa ho fa awurade asedama no na wo koso da na se no na wo nhira no ene wo nkwatenten no na ye bebre ede ma wo ye da awurade asesa so de ache ye free January no abepem ne June 11th aye mofra no awurade nti wo mo de sede ekotena se atron so hwe ye mo akwa aba Badwam ni ya sha se da 5:30 ye de nwom de je mu a nti wo a wo follow ye ne de enwom no bia ebo bia no na de aye wo mpaibo ye wie sa nkranhye ne ba ebe hye ye ndeng because obi adanya ne so na ba mu abusei nti wo tie ni te ekotego apostle doctor na ye say wa Kenya wo spirit no ye wie pe de news no bro news no ne yakọ abaya ye de bon krata any online stories no ebro we ti radio for su 97.1 ye chiamo ye mamo akwaba meni owura sante da akọ na gina ha no pay awurade adom ne nkwane ahoden bribio gina ne naso wo hwe no combination say ye taade me mamu a don't be confused I know tie ante comfort adepa me mu achen hello
fitness carnival
yes I tell
cameraman anya brewe
inti machia wo no wo de so
ase titie na atosin kaka
men kan sa ante comfort yes sa we wo de no ya so den
Bible says so it is a bayi it is a ochia me say me so prekope
sa
you know
we
yeah Mr. Tamukola abasi that was yes you be na nyum no ko school that time enyum bi wa opepa ba onim to nti obi ba bia onim to na ba wa ho den nti ba bia onim to they are new every morning I want them to new every morning great is that the steadfast love of the Lord your radin every day they are new new and I thought to so kra and can say anything the money you know yes o hwe nipa bi mu a ya de nkwanhia esan musu nyoma basaba na o hwe o ho na say
senye radia
asaneti o ebrewa se prekope senye radia
ebrewa se kra
so senye radia no I steady and if you akasa obey steady eda oso ye hwe mane nsey ye che obi ani nyina mu no mo waninji se wo fi Ghana ma waninji se wo ye Ghana ni asa ewie Eni ekono.
Binya yaye.
Na hwe nkro atwa enwa hia kra na. Yo neni ntokwa ne basa. Ekom ne ntokwa ne ahotire. Na the dey to you kosa na mo mbodwa kakra bi fa fa na sa na ebe improve system no. Ko sa. Ko hwe nkro pa atwa enwa hia. Akala na yeso akoka ba nyame mpam. Enkoda.
Sir.
Tiwenu anapay imam for ne asofo mpayimfo ne traditionalists for abribiada o my Ghana 24-hour economy we 24-hour prayer ambuso erade huyemobo bo Ghana ho bayo it is our gatekeepers nyina na do mase na anapay we am sure they trust me say anes for ne esremo even though responses are abamu ni pa bi ni mode ba ni pa bi ni mode ba no emu rem eya ehye bufu ehi enyai etan ni nyina na mo nkanto makomo
ni penti
boko
omani nti
na mo nhwese omani ho donti
yesremo
na wutie de ye kika kai dia wa ye be ma okra no ba to bibia kra asa de besi bi
yesremo pa e sre
ajubro
yesremo mo de mo nkote bodo so
ajubro ze no na me ka se aban bai on share down fa ne nan ACC ho yi so but and no so nkyere se aban mu nipa bi ni mu no almost response to sa nyoma ekoso yi you know there na ma wona ya amanyo se mo ho ya homti kakra no kane no nanka se kane no mo gina sa fa ho a kane asifo de e mo yi ka press conference right ups how do they ne dom kuma na ye na ankoma ye iti wan hwe yi a sa adwuma na efre no amanyo sem ene emu nipa ne bi no wan ya bibia da mo de 6 better no 9 na mo de fofo da no kwaye yesra na
esra mo pa
mudimu musombo na meyam timi himi so bi ka se anese fo mo no mo ye diploma fo omo no kro man pass omo nso hwe kra be ka se baby a chichil kuna kudu no mesre obia ho wonfaso obia from A to Z ba ahemfuchinye sa ebi de dabiechi
obia ho
faso na obia nyame abo se ne se so aduma bia wo bia no edi mu se fata okofita wa fita ni wa bra bo betosin shushan ni wa betosin cleaner ni wa betosin manager ni wa betosin secretary ni wa betosin doctor or nurse ni o sin to aba
until say ni pan be free ho na obehu ne so faso
me na be kai doctor no hoyi nurse ni ho why
the doctors no kura bre because we aduma na double triple
doctor no hoyi o ye aduma kona nurse ni doctor say nurse aduma
enye easy
ma nti bre we na ye be kire se na we na say na fa na we da bi me say ayemfu chinye we ya den a ebi di da bi echi otumfu na bo say basara option na hanen na nyina kes awura ni mu tare tie utimi fa no tutu kuma me bra ahini no da bi utimi fa no tutu me o ma hene kwa me de kwa da no me pa chiro ba bi afa nti be sense fo de tosu biem and nayem petri bia on kwada no so he omokoyim
ceremony dim
ti ebe call rounds all the 16 regions mia hodo abrebe maye kwan a so hwe no wo betwero ho nyina no ahoboabo abambo kwada no so mo ho keka na ekose omo betwa nsu akotitire no na pandai fo no ka wa you know bi wo betwa nsu bi wa moto de nkrata na be ko moto ka fu ani nti ade obi e sha ase no nkuru no mo sha ase dumi so you how Indiana me pese yes no pa e be hye ho abufu
na nso kwabna mi se na mo ye computing no
na me ka se how
na
computing no so no
computing obi ana obi
ye ye mo ye ekuro mu die no oh ye computer obi kura hu mouse no bi boda
mouse wa fa no normal
na no da na join news mo ankasa computer class no you draw computer out to TV
no experiment
or press
but who no physical and so no better pepe
it be some ye ba
Adom no
I'm telling you ye ba ye how say oba follow under schools no mo koye sa so hwe ne na onima o ha onima wa batil piga o da onda nti ye how
erade hu ye mobo
sorry ntitia ye ho nti kwada no the best of spirits invigilators yes remunya afla be hunu obia esremu a teacher for no so enko whisper
sa
session b to
nkoka na unim grass at this time one sesem o say me no one na echro but what question is different from mine oh yeah sanity enti say ana hunu say we no what there e be a first 10 question is different from me first 10 Inti anya careful shady no.
Itu ko say.
Yeah, asa wo
o dia na ebi. Me dia no so different na ko ebi bia.
Na what you say?
Ye.
Nti ya careful.
Pay for the common.
Oh, mo call me.
It is a minute that I'm going to
Why are different? Enti na ya ka say obi a mo no wo den.
Rani.
Now dey sua.
Na teacher for that catch and cry ye.
Omo ya we.
Because we dey say me ye fast am true because I dey.
Obi a ya we. Mo be anya careful. Mo be anya careful pa. Na woni nipa no na tension na question ye different. And I don't know say even with the same school, yes. It could be possible. Ebi ana the same school kura no. Na me na nya dia me tro no ebi ana wo tro.
Munya careful.
But the same subject to say no computing ye nyina.
Me move say na me share fear movement na meti.
What? Ti yesra mo. Yesra pa. E ma hu nhyewo.
Jari.
Ma hu nhyewo de mo sua no say de tie biara.
Radi yagopo.
Brofo na atwiste. Na so de ya kire mo na no a na eba. Tie na de yesra rade sanka this time. Enye apofri. Yesra mo akyekye for mo bom homoden. Fese enkura ne bedi nkuna be hye mo animonyam. But yam so sasa brewe mu nyina na wa de binti. Ya betwitwa wo mo nso hwemu. Eyesa de animguase eba ka obi a. Ti e besre mo. Omo kwa enkranhye na wo se hye wo mo. Se ebeye ye wo betwa yere wo ho. Emahu ma relax kayade no etiase. Started from there wo ya de onim se question wo betumi aso. Start here no first. Na wo wia. De emu wonte na wo ye no wo akire. Enti exam na na mark na wo first you know. We was akwa no. Akwa ya de. One ha wo second question no me ade no. Because first one what you say? Tricks no. Uko school asa na ye kan. Ebi ana wonim. Mr. De wo nyim se question wo read ni nyina. Question 1 to 4. What you say 4 no na wo ya de. Wo abọ 4 no wo ho. Wo twro. Ntro en man mu na ho. Na ya na ntro en tutu bom so a. Ebi asa day na exam na na mark here no. Ese pressure bi wo ho. Wo hwe ntro no kra kekekwa na anytime. No watwam on kan bo. Bobi won so na ntwero ye fenti ye ade max tiro ho we nyina ye favor ni bia ntu wo koi bompa ye guso se rade akonwa no table no papers no pen no bibia dia hye won se bia abatan emre ni yemfo mu num na nyame a wonim akoma mu no wa ya wie nti nkura no nyame nti mu be nkunim di for ate obia first choice mu be nya no peche. All
right, so some of what we brain my home say brain ya brain. See be rushes through the papers, fact check see prima, and same way and see a cat mouth on see. The Ghanaian publisher say minority tells government to change posture towards striking nurses. Ya can want some oil cartels, OSP, national security go after SML, destroy revenue monitoring systems. Worrying, but omonomonim de omoye. Speak for Tokonu, Akosia Menu to Veep, and the big one here. Gold board will clean up mess in gold trade. Sami Jefina said that time say Parliament engages key stakeholders to ensure corruption-free Ghana and the Imrashibijam and the pair of here so Mudin come off quite a fast or minor Katashan Province and Anobe Brass and also Motusa and Amon. VIP calls for urgent fight against corruption. Ghana man paying Nabedi Chile. Professor Jane Nana. I say, na sakata hye ne proyan 2 na mo a ohare so a o man no ne punjo ne kan kono ebetosin ti san komo no ana ono so wadi wan say the overseer the obokata. No excuse. Use mid-year budget review to resolve GRNMA strike. Nurses for strike no. We see media budget na ban be stress can be facilities can no faso mo. Afi obanim ha kase pa say sika suna eye Ghana nurses for no omo hwehwe no. Se say can buy na just o ye free for mu dia ene o man na agija bibia nkoso biem ene wasem enso e wa say
2 billion cedis
wasem e ho afi oba eye the overseer the worker so call era Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the camper I say nipa do na yi o mo free kakra Daily Graphic nurses strike minister kasa government committed to dialogue aban say e why crowd so on nurse for be see ikonya na omadi eye enkomo. More data for same price from July 1. And also one same, the new center say, nurses strike frustrated patients, and also one same, and there's a 14 or Martino. Said the Ama, I compare Yarisano. Ya Tombahano, I know she too much.
But our man, different one be a 19-year-old dies in Galamsey Pit. Family suspect foul play. Enunti oba adomonline.com akwara kuma akra na emu odin ye so akoto galamse amenemu nanso abusua no de susu se de enye noa nti oba adomonline.com no agebre na fe waken kan so ama ye no so police council do eba akoya pa wo ho to mamampani eno so eho asem parliament so asemon guta ene others a wo mo ayeso wo monte eniema bo eso no so eho asem na detailed account of OSP's raid on SML's office. And also said, yeah, and Ombura, or Muslim Adomonline.com. Ewaha, Yada Sian Fancy here, and Opemrani Adaja or de Maye, Kejuade, Agudiamun Samo, Eba health tips, postpartum depression, wiki monkomo, now fear who sepaba, and pensem, and come back community being so, a kahuya kwaba, Yada say.
Ma yencha on yemo akwa abashon komra Badwam ahosepa dwumadi so world of entertainment the echa good ya fata woni no sum no ya de bi esomo ewa ha say na ya meka cho say ya na mixed feelings because ebi o ha wo meti ase ebi o ha wo ne me ya adwen ba se na da me twemu no ye ni ha se ye favor obi ana ye ni ha se sebe ye say obi adwuma ne ye ya fa ye adwuma ti afa yadwuma nso de yaba say ye be kansemo a esi me a me di dwuma de ho chia me di de Sandra Oheme Ametiwa asante achima gogo de hye akuapem late me hene ne opem so adwuma no nyame adom entertainment me ye that's right oh guy sister Sunday be a guy opem so na me na ade ya ba biem ye mfansam no somwo Yare somwa chitafo ne mo edi waha cinematographer Master Thomas waha ena opem so na Kofi ya sei enso ejinem Isaac osei lomolomo kuno ana opem no so eta mechipa yon konsem ne so ensam no ye chemu a ye wose ye chemu ye na ye de because one chemu from beginning e bia na afi na obi hwedwumadie no o sister san na de na akantin chemu de ya na ye Adwuma de chemu no sister Sandy abaya oye adwuma wa Adom TV. Eye abrantie bia a friend showboy a story. Na ekopie mu wa Adom TV ntenten fidie kase ne so. TikTok. Ema video no engagement no be 1700 saves, about 500 views. About 500 shares, about 200k views. Momonsem Emfa Emma Adom TV say ya adwuma na che na still no ye gina ye na so a ye promote talent. In fact ye betimi aka number of artists Adom TV ye put you on over the years onka obi akra betimi aka say sister Sandy ana Ghana for kwa ye ka obi o promote upcoming na obi tag me so sha me kwa nyam na me bom ho asafo hene onkone ye tag me sister Sunny sister na say na ebi mo hwehwe ani mu a o ma ye mo so mo na promote upcoming ba ye start ya che enti showboy a ye friend adanko a ne din baako ani show busy aka papa ye guy me so me the sister Sunny be ye guy odofo bom ma he ohini bom about time say story ye ankoye ne de enti watu bia ma ne yen yes you wa for the truth enti no ye bebo because in crowd come Adom TV. Say what say yebo. Na bibi a de weche yakasa. Show boy. Baby.
I see Adom TV talking about me and the lady is actually trying to disrespect my brand and everything. First of all, I have respect for ladies, so I will not disrespect you working at Adom TV. Secondly, I just want to put this very clear so I can speak English so you can actually hear me bright since you act like you know everything. I'm a great entertainer and I'm a great performer. And I work so hard and put in so much work in my craft. And sometimes I feel like I want to give up already because the Ghana music industry don't support what we actually do. A lot of creatives in this country gave up on themselves because of the industry not supporting and acknowledging their own kind of talent. It doesn't matter if the artist is talented or not. Give him the chance to showcase his talent as a Ghanaian citizen. That's what the creatives and the Ministry of Health, Education, whatever is about in this country. Cool. I went to Legon to perform for free.
Great. Me pedio kind so or you full entertainer and I remember saying that on Monday. Say me who Showboy as a full entertainer. And I'm talking about artists, you know, say what talent and no need talent for her. And qualify your mom who are queen away for years. So beat me be jam no came. Hey, oh my man, why? My papa, why? Ningina, I man a chance. And we are here for the talent, and I keep saying it. On that note, may I extend a special invitation at your ma papa a guy. Say your bonyum, sabita fresh. My one city in Pominia. Ya, you free a pim, a fan, no, a boy, because and you're a guy. What you say? And you know, yeah, two suffer was a bra. Free interview because people will actually pay for promotion. And our engagement on the video, your TikTok or not. Who say, papa? A quite promo to the new formula. Ti promo no media mau. Timinia, me ton suffer what our DMs are open. Adom TV, Sister Sunny, be a guy with a blue tick on Instagram, Facebook. Send me a message, you know. Na bra, my boss is Chema, but you free airtime. Ah, mom, Bonyum na me fan trap it. Now was a lie. Bonyum na men trap ya no pay. Oh, when you know. A town for go stream me, mamma, what stream me a town for. Stream me a town for na yentua and seminal SO. Yeah, to aswa. And now you will chrome her. And I'm a far latter for sini and a home band same baby. And my latter needs nasty or ring light. I can gun and he patted 3 million boom digging item. Till now, what I saw ye. Good morning, Light TV. Yent means nothing as high and so idea where you should be. Namon Kwama could be bonnet, nearby a bedigana media in atom. Straw. Tyler Perry straw. I'm moving on a buy ND 1 week. I make you waste. Taraj the main actress, a woman. And the movie is very fresh on Netflix. Not Light TV. I feel no alternate can call fortune. What to me first, you know? Hey, Light TV. And I'm a boss here where some more the movie. And I'm a channel manager. One I hear you. She Ghanaian television channel Light TV recently aired Tyler Perry's newly released Netflix movie, Straw. Hey, mu yebi. O alata de krenkulenu. O ye krombe ma won na Straw. Me am target Tyler Perry. Me am target no. We don't do that. Obi di sika shim. Fe na alterneka. Let's take it easy. Let's do the needful. Mokwa J permission, copyright infringement. Why the needful? Hey, the route kadi do create now. Into us na. Because the media for us when you break because assembly by you won't go as a Ghana television stations. Omra has only a obra. Omra has near Messi, do kama air support a Ghana movie. Now there. Oh, I meant to ask. Melono. Me bo wapa me yare to me ento aso was it yento aso na beating so course so na before me ko beating so no mama extend prayers mama mano mama extend prayers mama mano BC for no and then more true I can't imagine say me throw BC 20 something years ago really time flies Metro BC 20 something years ago. And I'm Jina Kwalano, it's easy, you can do it. Yeah, we share all the very best. Stay away from malpractice. Men koye who ya exams na control di obetimi. Na jai oko kumaka ampedu mo time. Ya se omo no mo je extra sheet na ya ampedu. Unim try and kwaje extra sheet tro di obetimi. All the very best to the BEC candidates. Ya menka mo ho. And you know, and then I send me the can I think say be more extensive report concerning BEC, you know, send ya go about and say, yeah, stay tuned for Akwasensia. Na yentu asonko BET Awards for the first time Ghanaian artist at me Afro stage, you know, and I love what she did. Well, my flag, you know, and then shake it to that, that flag, you know, we say we are happy to see this. As usual, now says, as usual, so pons be, trust say, and the confidence will low, and our idea. Odofo ya the mic show nsem gina dem anipa fo gina mu kra ho bepopo ya na mu ga say that for wo the fact say we selling Ghana no we are okay and we are happy for her enti Shebra Yaba, yatwaso. Yeah, shaky, the enemy shaky. At the end, chain. It's no intro, no quam. I 10K. The first one can say, give it up for this artist all the way from Ghana. When in as a Ghanaian, I'm baby Biakano. Where then I. Congratulations, baby girl. You are winning, and we are happy for you. Sana Abranti Obami School, Kumasi Academy. From Kolongo to Global, Blacko, or non so eco PM, our red carpet, no, eso. Just a Ghana is winning. I can't say new acting. Yeah, we need you more diama. You just have to feel proud as a Ghanaian. See, I heard your kind of red carpet. What just away? One was slow, one quiet you people, but in America, no. What am I raw? That's a raw Ghanaian there. Proud Ghanaian. I like how you cheat in Fafa Unza. Mummy, her name.
Speaking of cinema, what's been the movie of the year so far? Sinners, come on. Everybody loves Sinners. Now, outside of the theater, in this theater out here, the Peacock Theater. Speaking of cinema, what's been the movie of the year so far?
And that's it. I don't say 2 quine but 2 weeks. Boy, you was through here 2 quine. 3 months, boy, you buy your casako me. You was popping, son. I'm saying, I could go and sit down.
Sister Sunday be a guy.
Go and sit down, climb them into us. Because you're shouting so switch one or interest or politics more. And it's okay. Because I heard saying our neighbor Weezy, Becher Baumia, Dr. Baumia, and Nancy, and it's saying agenda Nestona. One achievement. It's just a road to politics and one oil. And then go for bisa say, now when you show say be a scan or peso dynamics and I want hey, I will also go and work. I want to for oh, hey, is was say as azable. Trying to buy this.
You don't see me following a political party because I want to eat jollof. I have a bigger ambition. And to be in the path where we are seeing. Maybe in the next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, whatever, you will see me for parliament doing yeah. I have to build. I have an ambition. You don't see me following a political party because I want to eat jollof.
Not just saying for the party because of jollof. Bas, my nigga. Yeah, and twice so now. Dinah Hamilton, and so put the flag of Ghana, no. Very hype. Okushia, Sissy Winers, American gospel musician. Abuchime, Musa Dinah, the Abuche no tie. Na so beka Adom praise. You start say na pa Sissy Winers mu na de oma Ghana, Kek Franklin mu na de oma Ghana. Just say international art ya de omo be buy no. Ai na wo frɛ artist ya na omo chim ho. We mu nyina ya de oma Ghana Adom praise da. Bonsema Adom TV. Ya guy o. Ya guy am put respect on name. Kofi Ambadu na asa live Adom praise this year beba so. Choral edition no. Oh, nice. Choral edition say na guy pa ye here will be ya pekwafo na why. See yan hwe o hia no a ye hwe sane conversation ko
I'm from Ghana. I live in England.
Antisa na ekono still na Ghana yedi nkuni mami mboshin kukuma semenchia oba ajwa insure fama mefero ne mpaboa no abaya so no fefefa wotimo no obo adwuma no Kofi Asai is a cinematographer was watch ya muni adwuma amamre no obo adwuma yie pa nti was watch ya and then Wednesday Woman Crush Wednesday we kwada bia me di bibro maka sure say me free me fie ha enkamfo abonten so for aba me fie for obo mo homoden and any pa me celebrating o abna pokua ahwenye oba be se why ni too brazier we money yet make us a Paul and Mantem so was snedy camfo ono ni abaye such a hard working woman. I celebrate you today not just because you are a media broker or the I'm celebrating you not just because you are hardworking and now you're a hardworking broadcaster, but she's a mother, she's a wife, and she's doing amazing for herself. Now the interquite na me celebrating and a juma day. I'm sorry, Monday to Sunday, boy juma. Now also the side business be akahono. Me am fieni na mpedu ama ho kwan de. I will say a true light on you. You know I'm celebrating you today. Abena Pokua Foundation.
Oh yes, foundation.
Oh sorry, I will do shenko for donate. And I was at the drink yes, I back wow,
where did they? It's Osha Foundation Jumadi no.
Yeah.
The last time you call Akwasi hu. I don't know Kwa East.
Now do it
and see I sabia when your wheelchairs, hospital beds.
Wow.
And just say then your man draw songs, sanitizers. Nose mask bibia ye kase ye di edi djuma wa yare sabia no ye di bi koye na nyame adom ba ko so ye de ye di aka ho no eye unse ye na ye didi mu no kwara no ba fie no mu ko school asa drinks na ye toto ni ade no asichire nko a and Ghana Health Service some reporter wodo na chese se kwara no bi wo no ma ye be check up no na asichire ye ade kwara no obi enye bibia ntia sa ensa dokodoko na ye to na adroso wodwom ebu afofofo beto ama akwada no eye ye ade nko a nti mayese meye natural juice na bibia enim
woman some rice woman some pokua say what the way aka dey do your side business there na we do
but
do say na ka dey aba na
nti o she we say ya we no eye beetroot
okay
na abrobe na kakaduro na mediafra
e ba ne sa na esichire bia enim
esichire enim pacho
different flavors so
me different flavors Jodo taste obeti beetroot no ewo mu na obeti abrobe wo mu beti kakaduro no so ewo mu na mesanso mango nko ho no me wo abrobe ene akakaduro kese bibia ye fruit bi wo me wo carrot drinking so ho carrot ni ginger mango ginger ni nyina bi wo
I'm putting her on where fruit joy sending a DM abna pokra her near Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Now you're order way 30 cedis. Drink healthy. Abana, we celebrate you. You're doing amazing.
In fact, I was a pet team in Yamisha for Aquanya Modia Mami. Many saw a man brosso. Thank you.
I'm show boy you be Adam. The sister stand be a guy. You go where and a pamatadi at the mommy hair logistics GH. And Mammy Isaac say Master Thomas AD or me cinematographers bright sound. Well, be Kofi and Peru. Na daroma and a wing na air course to international the next
one produce I order
special order yeah that's it it's Mark Weber and a Richmond director OPD I am a producer I'm shake it with the max I'm say that my show boy the empong free joy yeah the empong hey
about better when you feel too man. Right, fantastic morning, and yes, Auntie Simo, the Woody won some never on pay, say, Pedro Kensi, some Dawson, yes, and Fata Sautini. Yabana Franco Trading Enterprise, and yes, Yakonsa, Franco Trading Enterprise, a phone papa fee in ho, phone Bia, Opia, Benyabi or Franco Trading Enterprise, tablet be a laptop of Biano, a Bio Franco. Then, of course, home appliance, a whole TV, air condition, bobo, my microwave, washing machine, fridge, no, now when you be. of Franco Trading Enterprise. And of course, your Banisaria na Design and Technology Institute admissions na be almost me ma aware so be admissions nti with me at the one jim yakwa ni ma na me your number betudwa and so at the amount teacher so saf ma me panibotwe me producer Kejuana Kasani Eric Kasiedu. Now, young queen, you know, send matches so it be a friendlies, it be a World Cup qualifiers, and Senegal in a friendly against England. England born a coming in summer England at the Academy Barco and was a hurricane and a shared out consolation for England. But the other World Cup qualifiers are called so Finland bought Poland by 2-1, Netherlands about Malta 8-0, and I finished Serbia bought Andorra by 3-0. Young Koreans and European World Cup qualifiers no Sequoia. Right, and so I know that the course so those games more, but the Yansha send a fixtures no Seattle, but Yansha results the mum Iranian fixtures. Now that results a battle in the qualifiers, and yes, this is it. Cyprus, Romania bought a 2-0, Netherlands, Medicam, home Finland, Poland, boy, San Marino, Austria bought a Canada Wontumi until Latvia, Albania, Ebo 1-1, and Serbia. Ebo Andorra 3-0 and Tisha so sa for me honomo and Otimon say yes and the answer senior and common ball World Cup qualifiers now ebesi ako Shannon Soma said Brazil are qualified for the World Cup and Vinicius Junior and Vinicius Junior actually go back where the Mamo in that game against Paraguay edition of South Family. Uruguay and Venezuela by matching Argentina and Colombia. Argentina qualified that on Colombia and Brazil and Paraguay upon Brazil Paraguay by a goal to 0 and Peru and so a giant and so the Ecuador at the Epium Swa Nyanya Sam Ketwa Kra and T Bibia Esiatia in the World Cup qualifiers said on some and so Brewon. Yana Bumu at the man who said the likes of South America matches Nadia Noyana have matching. It's one here before and so Costa Rica about Trinidad and Tobago just second Biasono well you hear how it also goes. But the local stories. The media catcher on say Brazil are qualified for the World Cup after Vinicius Junior was the only goal at the Montumi Ekomani Manya Sam Ketwakra. Na Mexico ni take it is a hupao. Papa because so some of the Kanafi Yabafi a Malta Guinness can one of Pina and in some idea bro no matter the occasion so my Malta Guinness was here Malta Guinness papa in a nahod washimumano and yasam ketwa and bibia we biano the patroma Malta Guinness and can bibia we biano my Malta Guinness and can on hona and the wakajin mo ya can say no Shannon Sonsa Franco Trading Enterprise and so phone papa fear and your money did you my Franco ya da Masiesa and I Design and Technology Institute and the Bechiska and say ya bed 1,000 Ghana cedis yes of course star 281 hash na kwambe aso de kakregu so na emo skada no pay me chiska nyeja ho fa ho jim na so diska kakra fa gu botomo en ho asama nti na ya ka Argentina and Colombia we de ohun ye no pacho akoso Argentina Colombia 1-1 Brazil winning 1-0 over Paraguay and afi Peru ni Ecuador de no 0-0 nti ka sha no sa family I match na sa matches ni na so Argentina and Colombia game no 1-1. Now ya can say no yamra fi ni area yakoso fie Nations FC at long last the battery has ended. Disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association and the to just yeah team of 3 points on our screen. You see letter the disciplinary committee the and Osha say standards the say and akwakoye after say Nations FC 3 points and 3 goals. Now Badwam has to folk about rato for them. That the Biani Gold Stars, Nigeria 63, Heart of Lions second 60, Asante Kotoko third with 58, and House of Folk fourth with 58 points. Nations better soon 57, Dream Selves better soon Sia 52, Samates better soon 51, and Watria Mediema and Kronia Diana Bichim better so a year and Watche. Now, young apostles already received that Accra Lions. Legon City's Omoko relegation is Fatamadi or so Omoboni Bimujaida. They say ended the final standings at the end of the Ghanaian Premier League. Yes, I don't listen in Sabno so AC at El Honomo and if me zoom na ready and patch on mami na fame come star 281 hash star 281 hash select Adom TV. Kakra eguso wo de guso abeche osika no pai na wo de agu botomonti eno so mo asaba no but okwese that day anymore the final of the MTN FA Cup na sa finally na Adom TV ajagiri and yesterday live a feed of our game about 5 p.m. and a bus 5 p.m. 5 p.m. But you better not say 4:30 na yatumi at the one seminar at the Abrewo Shannon so Okupimu at the University of Ghana Stadium. I am curtain raiser because so I know your former players of Fast of Oak and Kotoko, likes of Samia J. Moni, and the Omina, Ebejina Wesiakandia, my oldies of these clubs, now legends of House of Oak and Kotoko. And son, a kick off Ranka Sambaso, I know a Golden Kick versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the Accra, Legon Stadium in Tishanusa. FI Mame, University of Ghana Studio. Say no ne the ba obi anyo obi ampa. This live on Adom FM, Asempa FM. This live on Inshira FM. This live on Adom TV, English platforms. So obenye bi ahwe so. Eti MTN FA final so ya jairi and yasa den star 281 hash select Adom TV na fa kakra gusu mame na no pay star 281 hash select Adom TV na mame hu say kwambia so wadiska e de go botomo me pese udi. In no time, may draw, but the Franco Trading Enterprise number is 024 642 2338. 024 642 2338. Now 055 593 9311. 055 593 9311. We added Franco Trading Enterprise for official numbers. Now, Google Play Store and App Store, which man download the app on that Bribiaro, or do one gym. I know Ed Dan Chenya, or call my website francotrading.com. Also, over to me at the or ringing an order, now yet to me at the Abro. CCTV camera and go do one dance party, and some mounts a cabina, or to me a ball on your man buying, or a Juma Zibi Jai, Nakama Bimi phone, Name Shed, the Akosu Fiena. Bibia sana Design and Technology Institute me pacho challenging job marketing who here certificate mo do design innovation graphic design engineering animation photography ni dey entrepreneurship ni na Design Technology Institute etimi Badwam utimi esua fabrication welding ni ade ni na obenya bi na wasua age ho certificate me pacho CTVET BTech Pearson na dia welding society ni na ana one more recognize this university and to win certificate if you are a more Dubai Design and Technology Institute from a 054 169 3534 054 169 3534 na waje more information me patros me zoom no I ready amami na yehu de ye beye enso ewo eho enno now it will be rebuilt and onim sa de ba kwa is a kotoko hwe ni so betumi aje the FA Cup. It is the only trophy akotoko betumi aje Thomas setom site also pa Golden Kicks so say mo no mo ni breya pa jira mu yansa na mo bedu final to mo ntana e makotoko emeje trophy ni famfio mo nsam. Wow. Very how was that final no ABC akọ enso so ehorm now yenko ye zoom na susi a yenua Mo Shaban e de yebekom na yahwe ye sene MTN FA Cup no enso AC etie sene yenhwe ni mo say Golden Kick na ho den tesen sanso na sane kono kwa ho den tesen are we going to see a shocker and at a bed in the Golden Kick Shaban or Timin can pay a memo akwa ba de ba bedwam so na no pay it is the final of the MTN FA Cup. Chances of both sides to say?
Well, a very, very tough, especially when occurred the history of the competition. Since competition back in 2011, no, we are the third time at Division 1 League team Elco final. And Akoso between 2011, 2010, 2011 FC Nanya.
Okay.
Also qualified from Zone 3. Or share the quarter final 1-0. Then in 2016, Yenya a Division 1 side on Zone 3 or Ko United. Also qualified final, but we lose to Bechem United and a Golden Kick. I'm making it to the final. So the last time a Division 1 League Zone 3 side ever Kotoko Elusuye final. Almost sound to share. So it is not just about Division 1.
No, more. Tobama Kwachi. The last time was a Zone 3 club. That is Division 1 Zone 3 club is Shia Kotoko Luzuye.
Yes, Osha Kotoko, FC Nania. That was way back in 2010, 2011.
Wow.
And back competition in Omuchom Bobrepa. Now, I think Baku are very key going into this final. has to do with the numbers at both sides. Kotoko is the second most successful club in the MTN FA Cup, winning the trophy 9 times, chasing Hearts-of-Oak, who have won the top trophy 12 times. And the last time Kotoko won the trophy was way back in year 2017, almost Hearts-of-Oak 3 or the Aliu Mahama Stadium. But Golden Kicking Call find out that their best form a run of 32. And coach Fifi Hansen Parker, he has been with the team even as a best form a run of 32. But Adiabaku key. Let's not forget that this year Kotoko got into the MTN FA Cup final. We are considered just 1 goal per.
Wow.
1, yes. And I share 8 goals going into the final. Now the game anywhere a penalty shootout.
Okay.
Or they call until within 90 minutes na Kotoko read man. But Oko Golden Kicker on top of 6 matches. Penalty they decided.
Okay.
And we within 90 minutes. And that include their last game, which was their semi-final game against Atram. Wontumi recorded a 3-1 emphatic victory at the TNA Stadium going into the final of the competition. And Adiabakwa Ebe key, 2. Coach Abdul Karim Zito.
Okay.
Oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Not the last time Wako MTN FA Cup final, only Kim Faisa Obo as a coach for Dreams FC. Orini and the last time Wako final, Orini trophy no. And all the Dreams FC called Africa. They could do the semi-final. And he clearly about coaching experience. Abdul Karim Zito ahead of the opponents. You actually the last few years in the final, 2016, Okoye United, Bichim, it was a victory for Bichim United. In 2017, Kotoko won it. Yambo Biuma until 2020-21 has won it against Ashanti Gold. 2021-22, Hearts-of-Oak won it against Bichim United. 2022-23, it was a seasoner. A call in favor of Dreams FC 2023-24, a season for Nswakeman. And the last 2 years, the year analysis, it gives you an in-depth information. Say, it will come teams require expectations in your teams are more winning good gap. And usually the last 2 years, success na Akwadiamo, and that is Dreams FC and Nswakeman FC. Yes, but then in terms of experience, pedigree, a call in favor of Kumasi Asante Kotoko from the coaching side. And then you look at the players. Ubeka say, now Golden Kick players ben kwa na. Yes. And then Metimia Catcher will say they've got key players, especially Kevin Saba, goalkeeper. No?
Okay.
He saved them numerous of times, especially on penalty shootout. Oba and Raymond Gripman or a centre back. And also Eba. And one player during this transfer window and call for a cheaper, you find Da Costa Wusu or your number 10 or a winger, attacking midfielder from all angles, Edima Golden King. Very, very, very creative player. And also our team Numwa Omodeneba. And Fuseni. And so last year our Kumasi schools championship airport so the side they win here of finish here as top scorer. I find Joshua Fuseni.
Okay.
And Joshua would be available. Then one key player, Zakaria Mumuni. He is a former player of Wafa, former player of Indiana.
Very experienced.
Yeah, very experienced. And Zakaria would also be available. So almost squad and then a squad that Obeka away Division 1 team. Golden Kick has managed to keep these players for so many years, especially Da Costa Wusu.
Okay.
At a point last year, people thought he would be moving, but no. Golden Kick kept him. Meaning, say, almost trying this movement for them to explode, but then they have a very good team. But for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, these players would want to do it, especially when coach now will take over a new coach, and you need to perform to keep yourself in the squad next season, because coach now and Kamara Mohammed was justifying himself, and for me, one of the best foreigners this year in the Ghana Premier League. Kamarama Kamara Mohammed. Then Mecca said Patrick Esiedu, left back, very good. Samba O'Neill would also want to do it for Kumasa Santo Kotoko, Joseph Ablo, Henry Ansu. These are players at any point in time. We are very good. You look at the midfield, Baba Yaya, Emmanuel Entria started Baba Kakra because at a point now Onya playing time. He started to warm himself up in the Kotoko setup. Andrew Sinti Menu, key player, Jamina is also available for the clash. Then the fearsome three, I have always said, say Saka Dauda, Abet Amwa, Poku, and if Golden Kick with Jumaya in the first half, they need to be very strong on these players. Let's not forget that the last game Kotoko played in the MTN FA Cup, it was against Brikum Chelsea, who had also had fearsome three. Emmanuel Sapon, Steven Amankona, Mizak, Efri, but Kotoko were able to stop them, hold them, beat them, and then go into this final. Yes, Kotoko lost to Vision FC in their last league game, but this is a different game. Let's not forget that the last time we bought final, it will be very difficult against this Division 1 side, especially when we bought that video of 2011. This time, they are likely to go all out and battle for the league title, the FA Cup title.
Wow, but me push you to the wall to say over mame or prediction. Watch them, watch them the way, but because me piano, do you see Golden Cakes or cause upset?
So within 90 minutes, per statistics, I will speak based on fact. So within 90 minutes, question will win
okay.
But so when Cheno will win extra time penalty, that is where Golden Cake will prove that we are a very good side.
Wow. Right, Mo, madam, I say for your time and I don't pay. So warm up to that big game on Sunday. Yeah, we best Baho and Sana. I do so on Sunday. My man, Mo Shaban. And yade Muhana GFA statistician, watch the Queen, I'm sure say what you might cry. What's about him before consider Nayana Adi and come more on that particular game where Basso it will be Golden Cake versus Kumasi Asante Koroko. I mean Kiskan Sanamako, Franco Trading Enterprise, Malta Guinness. Who? That I said I'm so bon and idea. Who? Acromadeko. My goodness. Malta Guinness I proudly made in Ghana, Pacho, and I don't know. We are a issue party biase, and every image me pie, the media bossonia. The drone is star 281 ash, na selected Adom TV, na Faber, back with 5 cities 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and me friend win and one was sending away excited. I was no chrono, you need suddenly rare. Fantastic. Now. Yeah, I want some NSWC at here now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why not the music? Why not you? 055 9656 something. 055 9656 something day there. Yee. Yeah, for we this is Yako Design Technology Institute number na San JB for ni so 054 169 3534 054 169 3534. May I go straight to Givers Industries. Yes. Dr. Solomon Kwabi. Yes, when I give us a Germany na suabeti and a sense we utrim anywhere pum any utri so. I mean best me issue utri so a but Dr. Solomon Kwabi, fantastic morning going out to you. Give us industries. Bibia, give us Gumbiano. Patre Dr. Solomon Kwabia. In Rooney, dear, what's some was a brofo and Taddy, and no crowd of men can was him. Say, oh, what's some was a prequa one tafo. As I'm the go give us dear. Massa, give us ice. No. Give us clean and whatever. Wouldn't say on the 14th of June. Yes, I do so on the 14th of June. You call Achim Intronang, a horna, 1 year anniversary of Madame Agnes Kwabi, aka Adjoachumwa, the mother of Penny Power Dagivers and him. Yes, or Dagivers and Madame Agnes Kwabi, the 1 year Neduswa, Yakwakuja, Dr. Solomon Kwabi, Den Patrick Basso, our Chairman Tronan, Saturday, 14th of Trinity, Kashan Sosa, Efa, and Mame Horum Doc. Biabe fine. So we had to just a mammy dinner so I have banasa. Or the name de you know. Unfortunately, Abasa about this 1 year. Na a year no dear old Jew come on nehu. I mean, you say 1 year is something they did rather so. A train a helicopter if you tat. I be see one a crew or J. O shell my man when you say 1 year so because I said and Munyam. You will show where pa near the idea. You better not. You win on my na. You won't say you I am just say win an aba. Also, okay. Hello, good morning, congratulations. Wow, you go so stress beba. Oh, what then wakati? What discuss wakati? 1,000 Ghana cedis nyasam keto. Alright, young fancy now. You know, double justify inclusion. No, yes, Double Soccer Academy. From the 22nd of June 2025. And I can be a so bass on the channel soon. Justify inclusion. 15 years to 20 years. Western North. Nano Kokofodia. We are call Western North. 15 years to 20 years. Okay, one. Jinamudi. Meka want some actual. Cause I Adom TV. I could anyone. Meka want some actual. More info at 0244. 576-606 7 a.m. sharp and I guess for inclusion so number if Nejimunchi will be a double fantastic morning going out to you. We see a party with me producer. Kijuana Kasani Erica Siru Bwedi because I have bedroom.
And then some more kwaba at Badwam TV bedroom Jumedi so health tips 5 minutes. Simenum near we boning in out from Monday na at the see Friday sa near yeno. To Mr. Bianene or first timer or share more kwaba in tuning off for that. Anytime be a better pomodin who come biano, mean you feel honey teaby, a biana in your wa, but with tears so the ammonia be or bussy beba boas, postpartum depression, I can once a me. A be a wow, chemical we, or cried all your bema, they are. So won't be a mukra, who near bed and 4B. Inti on your moi, then ye, one any dim como, be ever ton of quama or whom quine of a faso. I feel no hundi. Inti dim como ye ne, ye barber share signs and symptoms, se bia. Be a experience, be a woman. I can say, if you are a doctor, I can ask me that baby near her power. You bet me a boss and the panel, a endpoint homeopathic clinic, Nadaruma, and a Dr. Mamia Isel. Oyaga East Municipal Health Directorate, no director. I say, dog, and I say. Tiane her signs and symptoms, say beer, will be was our postpartum depression in one. A day and a day. Inti the obedi can say, Ebia Nipano, Ebia answer no we will be able to make us or no croffoy come like the relationship near fine. I post the ribbon say, only Casa on Tineni, Libya, Sissa, on time straight to say first. Only interested in conversation, only Casa on Joe Susa, who say, ne character bias, who said, Sabi or Hoba, who who the intia. But who knows, then after a while, sometimes you may see, say, Binum, I want to mean that crowd, I want to mean Didi. But what swan or musu. Only the intia, only the intia also, but Niraho, but only the intia and Niraho. Into who knows, even so, Hamun pay banubium. Into they lose interest in the baby. I can't know. Only need that motherly affection. I'm pay. I can't know. We will ban all right, but postpartum depression. The to me, yes, sir. Wow. Into say I can't know how, but. Neni nje se wenya ne ba ntini na ye science and symptoms say nipa no was sapro say neni nje se wenya ne ba nti ni attitude no ye very indifferent towards ne ba you ho kra ne spouse no kra ye nehi bibia ye nehi and I say obehu say bi no so hard they have thoughts of self harm or person onye ne ho bibi wow person on plan yes and I say person on harm ne ba no yes. At that point, no say if no should anye stable emotionally, a friend of mood disorder. At that point, no should anye so stable. Ni na anye omo fault. All these things happen. Hormonal imbalances, no stress, no. Did the mo asisa, ninda na asisa. Ebi awa yes, krono ye na ya, no ye na ya. I mean, all these things are happening. Inti ebi no ha na. A triggers are changes. Maybe I want to say your support to be a support. Say no create no. But ebi wo ha but I know but you couldn't perceive but I know ye ebi a few juma be a post delivery no. Eye na na dwendwen.
in challenges no bo so e bia other older children you know no or show almost share so and any day so be combine sa in kwala na amunyi no ho ne masa share we no into during the day or share we omuda no or share so ho wow nti eba ne sa a source of stress ebi no hu no se won say over time dey wa wejuma but a source of stress nti maternal support dey a very big issue
yes ebi mo young ones and the first time is no onti ase dey nti anafu aye kese nti ebi mo timi dey omo cause postpartum depression
ebi no mo ho the unse aside the changes to nipa no life no bodily changes ebi mo ho no mo hwenem na aye kese obi shoe size asisa yeah shoe size asisa to me shine ring the hope is that for most of them a bit to resolve post delivery but some say wa we on who insisa bia no na fe ohwemro no enye
said they know
yes recognizing ho
onti ase
I know to me ma rora ho because I enye tin na meti afi me ankasa me sheda ndan ti ma ye basa so aka ho nti we look stressed a show our body so are different nti abet say why kese wo stretch marks say nti we combine na enye obia no wo sa akoma out me handle obe question
say yada say yadoso o hwe ho signs and symptoms dey yadoso ebia yenyi akonhoma ma osika nto diapers aduane nyina adwendwen ho a ti bi
true
mebo adog nti eno de doso em say science ne doso pa ese obi go through sade no kasa pra say o wiye as o ya bodam o say meti sa comment ni bi na o de o wiye de o bodam erade hu ma mobo postpartum depression hu nkomo na wo twi ye kan fa hu frame point was 0244867068 na daroma ene de bro so kono ho bra wo hu dodo a kama yada se mo akwa ba bi Adom TV Badwam dwumadie no eso medin afia amankwa tamaklo me show se wiki mo so o kan ye ho postpartum depression no eso suade bebre frame na beboa no pa titu ni abatan no awofo nom ne abusia atwe ho hia oba wo ewie nso a madaroma mamunya no se rade ahye na somdwiem ya no wo hia mo anso wa mo ano na pressure kakra ti simpe na fei ede niema foforo eba 0244867068 yare bia hawadwen a yenko Dr. Dubuaten ho na omwa ye fi se nyame ya adom a memenda wei yenyina endpoint branch bia ben wo no fa papa wo kunu wo nua ben ma bia wonya mfie be aduasa num ho ekro no fa ko endpoint branch bia mu na yenko check na pomoden emma no titiu no eye ne prostate no omu di hu djuma amaye wo check ni liver no so amaye wo check ne kidneys no amaye ye check blood pressure no so aka ho ni sugar we would do mukunu we would do nua be ma bia from 35 and 40 ho kwa medofo watch na dia sombo pa we nyina endpoint homeopathic clinic ni Adom 106.3 ye no Father's Day bia anti Father's Day we no nyame ya Adom a endpoint branch bia say ye Kumase say ye Techiman say ye Takrade say ye Tema ana Spinters shell signboard ho nyina Spinter shell signboard I headquarters ne de hompo de shows ne nyina memenda sokonom ne ade ho ana ye beye no nti ba bia wonim bia na bra se woni card se wo ko hospital na wo clinic e wo endpoint de ada no card de wo betua aha wo beye card 70 Ghana ya hye no so e fama ye e ma ne de dog say ye nka free no ho free a wo kan wane se wo beye wo scan wo beye scan wo check wa wodi mu apart from no oba bia wo ba bi na person ye de wo betua ye nyama mema na ye mema ne da nti o say ye hwe mema ne ye pa no munya nkwatenten ahoden wo nti mesrew Fredox sie na ne nkomo ba bia wo bia endpoint branch no wo kokko no ma friend number no na wo direction ye 0244867068 0244867068 memenda nyame ya Adom a ye behia wo e wo shell signboard ne mum branches ni nyina nso ye adwuma ene ewuku ada oba pa si edu age na dwa o free Piwak Natural Health one more drone ye ba kope 3p garlic mixture enu anu eboa ye mixture wo te garlic o ba bia ya pre so be pedi wo mu efi se so mfa so de wo de pedua mu no edoso nti ye de aye garlic a nsuo bi anka ho egya bi anka ho nnuro na na yɛkyinkyim ɛde ayɛ 3p ne de nya binom Dr. Nelson Motuti anopɛ yɛkyia wo sɛ do ɛmo akɔ abɛ na bi abɔkɔ de Orange Lady ho ayɛ fɛ ɔyɛ de wada wo ma ade chi bi nipa foforo benti 3p garlic mixture
sa pepepe me da wase se odi nkan kan se edu na ye ba akopɛ me de ncha so nko pipi wa natural health aso ye ede ma Adom TV ahwefo nyina se na Dr. T di nkan kan se 3p ye edu no dini ya me detu
ya da se
se ni Dr. T di nkan kan no se ye edu na ye ba akopɛ no ne 3p garlic mixture mesrel so ko pharmacy shop so wo kwa akotobi na wakasa edo na ebi ni ho na nso piwak fo yedo fofo bi aye fofo bi di aka ho a pa twentro e na wodi e di acho yedo na nu ani 3p garlic mixture se box no red label no garlic e na da ho e na sa odo won safa ha se na won se e ho na erere kakra sam green color sign bi e wo ketua bi sa no aha odo safa so a erere e na afi nso ye yi nso e yetoa e hwoa e bo yeti no e ye kokko aha misra wada sa wo ko pharmacy shop sa wo ko tobi na wo ka se 3p ni wo na emu piba afo do fofo bi ya eye garlic mixture bi wo ho a entro na wodi acho edo no e ba kopɛ no ne 3p garlic mixture 3p garlic mixture me so fa phone no se na no pa bi ekokɔ de bia me ba ya me ye no fa phone no bia pɛ onya ho ntia se okɔ deep na wo ti ase ya na se ya de bi edi wunya obusuani modofo bi edi wunya muntimi entu ase afa Dr. Nelson Motuti no pay waya krado se obeti ofre no e was 0248 92 88 24 0248 92 88 24 friend se sia na ene no endi ensawoso se ne ana ya na ye ta kan se 3p garlic mixture de ye mfanka eja ena nsuo emfra naturally organic ye garlic odomankpa hama ene no bna ena team of doctors mo papa natural health aso ye aka wo mutira bom atwe juice na ewo mu na ema ye minerals ene vitamins ewo ye nipadua mu huru ye ntini ni mu emma enkwammo na ewo ye mogya ni mu eho eye den ese ebo ya koma no eban ti se oyo obi a wota no 3p garlic mixture wonta anyare nkatenkete enta emo kwase be boost your immune system ama wa ye active ama otimi asore akwa adwuma so abobra ena good results e de efrim ena afensu yenso ya na ewo high blood pressure mogya bonso misra wada za ya de se ba osoro ya na enkratim na otanananom ewo ensiedo ya se bia na srade bia na heart issue bia akosisi ewo ntinti mogya na ewo se de afusa na sanachi ababebo wakoma no yesa na akwafa nsim bebere e de aba 3p so no mo a be wuhuru entinim e de amaw ayama srade bia esisi ntim ni be wuhuru nyina eye afri ho e de amaw e na menstrual pains edu ye monthly sana da no nsem bebere wo chida se wasi wo maburu kwan so na afi wo se nam ya wodiem na osisi achi eye wo ya wa ya se ejo na wuja ona 77 prejudice wo fie wuntimi ni de wuntimi na unum 3p garlic mixture ya wode ni nyina be free ho e de ama ye ne enso ye de no emma bebere banketenkete ana wo de ne emma kwa be 3 months 2 months na emma me so unum 3p garlic mixture obuna free flow ama bibia akoso ye e de ama na diabetes so ye diabetic patient ya na wasetena esesa wonta de shimumpo adwuma nkra wo ya kwetimi sesa because nyame yankompa ankoba na bibi kotin na wosisi a entimi nwu na ne betimi yedai etwa atwatwe wani kura timi fra mema de mema yemtimi kofom oba o libido ebe kofom e de amount so a diabetic patient glucose ene carbohydrate agina wo mogem so no 3p garlic mixture beboa a wo ni nyina mu e de amount ama wanya wo fa hodie ena yeni ya na time se complain sananse ache ena me high titiritim inside titiritim na ya na setati itimita acheme pa ba cho ananse wonye soja sa wota company se wonam akwa baabi e titiriti aye moja na ntimi ne afusane ye e wo ni pedwen so no 3p garlic mixture e beboa wo ma moja na timi ade afusane ye e wo mu ene ye ne aye kase bebere obesity bo wa aye kase totwe wontimi kwa amono so so obepia be sha atada na so be ko wash ni so nyamoa afi baabi onya 3p a e beboa no ena afi stroke unya 3p a ebeboa asthmatic patient obo otimi bowa na moja ene flames edie tena ne bum ehyehye na sum sei na mu ase de mpia bi wo na sum ene ne hwimisra wo so wo bowa na se moja de akire ba na se flames ahoho de edie akire ba misra pe 3p garlic mixture no na ho lungs no ho emfa emma ene ye ne ya dwunso mu ada ne nsem bebere ede ama ya obo onum so bebere ba ta dwunso de bi onya edge so pese wo dwunso no onya ya odie edi free mu misra wo so wasa pains bi ebra wo dwunso a unya 3p garlic mixture ebeboa wo ama yade bia ekoso oni padwam ebeboa na eyi afiro e de amount eni ye ne ye panadu didie anasa junk food didi nti eja ye fukese bloated tummy ba cho so no 3p garlic mixture ebeyi gas no ene fat ni nyina de afiro ama ye fu ayetiatia e de amount e na stress meso enya time management stress nti ubetimi akum ubetimi ato na nanu e wonse do mesira mama nom 3p garlic mixture na mwa wo na wontimi na wontimi ni de se na bia next day wo sorry a obe active etimi akọ onuma esune so me 3p e ba akopẹ okọ pharmacy shopper ene just to be abenya bia to better do na e ba akopẹ okọ na kasa different one bi kan ho a sini hu wentronko a e na wodi ntimi na me ka mo se kumasefo enko dane herba Colinac herba, Criske herba, Tamale, Yanko of Fakojo herba, opposite Tamale Tash around the Ben Little Mat wana. Why Uncle Money Away Enterprise, opposite to work at Tuja Koforia, Yanko Gabson Pharmacy, the Ben to Tattoo, Beno Pharmacy, who Yanko Abesam, Unko Yanko A Mensa, Shaman for Yanko Ekus Pharmacy, the Water Tema Committee 5, Little George, around people may run about wana. So Pando don't so at Swanya Moshi, Yanko Okanshi Angel herba, Okanshi Angel Bequa, Wakunya de Etu El, Patro Ferry. 0248 92 88 24 0248 92 88 24 and that's 0201 00 00 21 0201 00 00 21 3p garlic mixture naturally organic ba kope anyway dwane so
die pebi e wo hen hia na ebenya no
ko pharmacy shop ko herbal shop bi e ben wo bia benya 3p garlic mixture ni bi
okay sa kire mu biem sade na hyenso de no etie na obi ankwa me amfa suma kwa na na
chenche sa na sa wo koto box ni say na tie red label na wa na e garlic e na hyenso de kitwa bi wa on say ade green color green bi asa ahama e signature bi e wo ni say odonsa efa so a erere e very rough enye smooth sa emfa ema e na afenzo so etoa no ebo ntu koto no aso mu enye rubber o koto na wuyi na say rubber mento ye fake ye de na ye toa odonsa bom se a ebo e na nti no e ye kokko na red label no so ye de ebi wa ha se ntu koto a na wahye no so na wato ni mpacha ye ba akopɛ 3p bebie bia enka ho bi
hwane etimi nom 3p
obia etimi nom obia etimi nom abata kra wodi 12 years eko ena ebetimi
ono mne betimi ano ti my numbers ni bi wadaroma
0248 92 88 24 0248 92 88 24 na 0201 00 00 21 0201 00 00 21
nti shano so na sa kire yemu se we ni yemfa enkaja
yemfa nsuo naturally organic sa pepepe e garlic odomakoma hama ene nubna ene ya twi juice na ewo mu no yemfa nsuo mfra yemfa nsija so sa wono mu a wote garlic ne hama no ewo mu ene wono so wuro ni padwam do ni padwam dwuma pa wote unya effect e di free mu sa pepepe
okay yes emano de no so bi maye oba no mu sa fasode ben wonya free 3p mo
oba de so onum 3p garlic mixture na o menstrual disorder menstrual pains a eboa wo e ma ya wode ya okum so obu nsa yifiri wo e de ma obu na ne de ne ma bebre e ban ketenkete so onum 3p garlic mixture e beboa na ma na nya free from na moja na abase ne wo se eba obu so na ne de ne e makra be se 2 to 3 months 6 months no obu ne nsa e moja so fe wo se besne ko te onum 3p e beboa no ama moja na ye de aba besna kwa na afense sa wo extra benefit on sa e ma e na nso fita bi gugu ye ho ne ya yimfi ho ne ada na en cancel ye de ewom so onum 3p garlic mixture e beboa yi san kan nyina ye de every ho ama a boost to confidence e the amount and a mema so e ye aduma wo mu ntini nim cause 3p ye aduma wo ntini nim so yo be ma na sa wonum 3p garlic mixture be bia ntini wo bi e ko e kodi duma e the amount sa pepepe
and obi e here bi modaroma obowura pharmacy heba shops bi mu a 3p garlic mixture no e wo ho na je wakope bi ato anom na tumi abo so no so we nka ya no ansa ani nsuo bi anka ho nubrana dog ene enimdefo atena se no ena won de aye 3p garlic mixture nkoto bibia keke se 3p garlic mixture meso ya hwe o se etoa no emmo ebo etoa no bo litini ye kokko ti aye nso no so sa na me kai GCB bank shareholders se update no e koso Nti sɛ wone GCB Bank edin sa wo so dia try na fa branch bi e be na akoye update no hia ye mpa wo telephone number no email address ne niema hodo bi sɛ be ya nkomodie bi information bi wo ho asɛm bi wo ho ya wo sɛ wo de ma clients na wo so wate ne mom nye sɛ wo kwa akotie afiri obi ho na ye be send you mail se manya da bi nti ya sɛ update we obi a wone GCB Bank edin sa wo so shareholders no Mr. Oyafa Ohushem GCB Bank bi e ben wo no ubowuram na so ba be update na one more ebejo so GCB Bank your bank for life mamenda the links asenso waye meeting kamo fe we na meeting so wabo kama na hyeme na waye lash we ni muntu hu a aye say oh obalenda won kwaso medase semiti ofa ho ka
Asemyidika Inna Beka Akwasi Insia Commander 6 Kano said it here
Yame hu nyina ache Yame hu nyina akwaba Ma feel brutal Wa wo gibre bia na wo hwe bedwam bia ma feel brutal Nyame nhire nyina no nye nyina kese ene ukuada June bosume de toso dubako afimpi mienu ne aduonu enum 11th June 2025 Medidi akwasinsi asem ne kabre ena edrusen na kwekwana no pay komo eba bedi nyina FM mofra no BEC ensohwe ya wo twere eneden say I start to be corrected. It looks as if say this is the first time who BEC a train no midweek. Ya dem same paper ya na enka ehase adwada na enka ewie fiada. But many free dey and this is the first time who say ya train BEC in midweek. Ya shall say be a Wednesday and any day apart from Monday. But ni nyina ye. Ya wo hye mo fra ne wo. Ya wo bi atrinkwa. Ya mpa bo se ni amosua no embra. Na muntimi pass with flying colors. Mono man Ghana dachi ejina moso. Mona Ghana ehwe ne mu ede amamo. Ghana ndi aso nyina enemo. Se mo feel ya Ghana feel. Etra da bia de ani abrese betimi aboa se ne ebe ya. Mo bra na mo bono se sinto bi ebebe bi betimi abo na etimi atretre no. Etima mutrinkwa ye mpa ebo ne se mo betimi atwere no atwere ne yie. Ye nya po bia emfamfiri mu. Emfa no ba bia. Ko how kese wo apobo ho ayese wonim pefe pass wadamfo we ebo apo e no de pass ne ensohwe no aba ba ye medical doctor na ada obe kwa akoma na se wankasa do mu kwa akoma na se wonhwe no unso do afo hye wadwua hyase on nanta ni obetimi atwere no twere eno ne wa ho oden ni obetimi atwere no twere emu bia na ada se kofa bi fa hye ho e na twin bi fa ko itere emu bia na ada fo aho de onim de ne wasua no efakọ wonyame so mpaye kodwo mensa abrampa okọ Adom newsroom a ade bi efa education de insane ho kodwo mensa abrampa ye start anopa ya wabo aprobo kakra e won kran pompeni mantamu semno kase kodwo akopiem e won Nima cluster of schools Yankohwe odru wonum preparations and baby outdo akokọ no preparations so far et say kwadwo mensa abrampa so otimi ka kwadwo afa buana yenti ase so far probo no obo no senate
BEC Basic Education Certificate Examination na waye kfo waze hihyedo no nde na wore hyase o omamuni na omamuni na no waye na Ghana Education Service one statistics aba kire de yehwe yim de candidate another mofra over 603,000 na obetena ase na nde ya wore hye exams na ase wa hye nhwehwe na ase na wo Nima cluster of schools the man so na ayawaso East Municipal Education Directorate say yen Dr. Chepo Bezin komo na wa kire yen mafama dodo a obotwero e wo ha na nsa na no yema amanfo Adom ahwafo netiefu hu de nkan no BEC is anka nde e third day a world exams no nanso afize wa hyase ana yare hyase Wednesday nde ukude na ye hye BEC na ase Ghana Education Service da maso na waye kaza atu yenyim de onam idiri ada holiday na wanyim eda pochen a obaba aboto no nti na oma waye nsesie wo timetable no ho a nde na ware hye BEC na ase nde Wednesday no na Wednesday another ukuda ode yenyim so wetum wewie Wednesday no se hwa maframa bebre na waba wa hwe yim de mpemfu bobo assembly no na waba na za wo ka kire won yina no wa ka kire hon ishom kakra ya kire de papers na oba kire neze ni yina ba bedura wa hwe yim de tam no baso na maframa na akwatena ase na wetum wa kire nsahwa no yen assembly no yanye municipal education director wo ayewaso east Municipal Education Director Dr. Chairman Wontumi ni anhwe mafama dodo a ya hwe yim de obotwero ewo ai municipality ni mu na center ha ankasa Dr. Chairman emwakwa ababa Adom TV so doc, so how many people are we expecting to write within the municipality?
Thank you very much. This is Ayawaso East Municipal Education Directorate, and we have 5 centers. We are expecting 1,196 students to write their exam. In fact, we have prepared them very well, and so they are ready. When you look around, you could see that they are very confident, and they are going to write the exam, and they will pass.
If you look at Nima cluster, how many schools are writing at the center?
We have 7 schools writing at Nima cluster, and the total number of candidates that are going to write at this center is 479.
Okay, so what time are we expecting the General Assembly and then the exams to start?
We are just getting ready. Our MC is on the way coming. We are also expecting an honorable minister. So by 8:10, in fact, we have started gathering the children. We will talk to them and encourage them and tell them not to entertain any fears. They should just go in and write the exam as the normal mock they have been writing. So by 9, they will be in the exam room and start the paper.
Okay, so what are the advice for people who are tempted this time around? GES and WAEC is questioning about exam or practice. What is the advice to the candidates?
Yes, we met our supervisors and invigilators yesterday, and we briefed them. We told them nobody should indulge in exam or practice, because if they are being caught, WAEC and GES will deal with them. So we cautioned them very well, and they said they are ready to go and do the work with integrity and honesty without involving in any exam or practice.
See, I see say Dr. Chairman, some was out to go as a municipality anymore. Why should you there? My from over 1,000. No, what exams no na so schools. In 5 schools. No, what can that a Nima cluster of schools center ha? Why should you there? What exams no? Na on Chebiano by 8:10 say. Obey General Assembly na ma order was to my former when you no was at when because he bet my case in the pide say ekesezi enyakasa menye hu papers na was abanu ni na wabwa na was akọ baby order wakwa wari ye hyehyɛ na my former no tena asepe na wetum abetena ase na wetum watwa nswahwe no eti we echira eti there bell no another adoma no na wolba wari frɛ assembly no na mafama no waba na wɔnyina obɛhyɛ mu ha na MP da manso na director nsama wɔwɔka efutu sama wɔwɔka kyerɛ mafama no wetum aka kyerɛ mafama no na mafama no ahyɛ nsɔhwɛ na ase nti sɛ ɛzwe kyerɛ kanda Nima cluster of schools akwesi dama erihu no mafama no na wɔnyina warba assembly a wɔhwɛ yim dɛ exams no bɛhyɛ ase no ndɛ ukuda na wɔhyɛ exams na ase wɔhwɛ yim dɛ nyame yadom a ukuda ɔde yɛnyim so wɔbɛhwɛ na wɔwie exams no nti sɛ ɛtemenka yeguda yɛwɔ aprabo mu sɛ ɛtemenka Nima cluster of schools ha na ɔyɛ center Ayawaso East Municipal Education Directorate aha na Adom TV says ya ba yarehwe mbre nswahwa no ɔrekwado nti sɛ ɛtemenka wonso na yenuanom a wɔwɔ bebi nka na wɔyɛ krado da wonso wɔbɛtwa hɔ mfoyi no wɔda kyerɛ Adom asɔfo na etefu no wontum wɔntwahwe
Kojo Mensa Abrampa yamane bo na mote na mane bo ede every Nima cluster of schools and manfani enkyere oboase wo man Asante Mantem Isaac K Nomanyo the super reporter. Good morning. Isaac K Nomanyo bakwa
Yamia Dumo.
Yere Yamia say, or was it preparation to say?
Se si amene ka say de aprobono ebe koso wa adanse ene ne mpatem no ya hyasie e wo adanse north mensin be dia me ginan eye dompo ase high school aha nkwala bebro aha afa ene akire ena 347 ena omo etro e wo sa center we na ha no mo centers mako miensa ena wo district no 4 ena wo district no ba na TI Amas Formula ena Asarbedi Aku Senior High School ena ATC practice and also sawa krokere say 4 centers ena ne omo etro na ubepie mo mensiri mu a enkwara mako 1204 ena ne omenye akwanya atro na emu 644 eye ema ena 560 eye emema ena ne omo benya akwanya atro ewa ha na edi kan abepie mo school mu abaika tipeni o mensiri mu setas edi aso ne ne je ho party ni dina gasa Charles Kofi Obe na do ya de friend no setas one the district director na omo enama omo na presiding member na omo nam omo botrobo ehwe enkoda no so ewa ha na me person ensem be no ye ne DC aisha se ne wi ne director wi ne bisa wo mo se ahogwa ben e no na futuo ben so ana nyoma ben so e ne odi aben kware chief Adom TV so ni ye hwe ene di asem e na wo ka kire ye nuanom nketewa ye ana se ye meya ene wo mo ko kire so hwe
yo medase mede enchia kese ma Adom TV etiepo nyina from Adanse North futu a yedi amomo ye start ye futu no de acheye pa na net na ya pumpon so say ne no mo start ye ba ha ebetu omo fo say we ye adedada exams no ma tra difference bia enim de omo start from JHS 1 now omo de be do JHS 3 eno na ye hwemu ne ya den ye yi questions ni bi dia mo eti matu omo fo te omo entro exams no wo eni breso na omo nsa enye den to omo bo na omo read questions ni ye na ye questions omo hu e wo omo textbooks mu na mo bia emfa foreign materials bia te o kwakodua po na wacho bibia ma nam so am ye cha omo papers you masatu teachers for invigilators na for any kwan say omo grade na nkala ne bebe I was say at least omo ye dey omo anya abotre e dey mom then e be ya nkala no omo mfa agimhye entro exams no bemum nkala ebi omba yo margin say omo dey pouring materials and after examination more practice ebe dey omo momodian na yenye dey yentro maso yenko mfa because yet team of Frano ewo a fine pattern and a future aye dey abe omo ana so many education director so ewa ha ye the director so any komo na ye bi tan say awon be no be gu akwam e de ma aye enkwadan enen so oba be duru ano ata o bibi ba kumienu e de ka kire enkwadan ya na
yo medawase enkwala ni de ye tesi omu yi ba se ye ni se ensofe eba nti ehase ate ayi ni se enyame ya aduma pala no to ebe dadi omu siano edi
na busy Badwam kwa break isidi
unkata yemu na woke bibi se umpete akwara baako ana okyerkyere mi a wo behwe nsohwe so beye adie bi a ebe anim guase ana se de bibi bebre eye nsohwe na die no hu ti a wo tu safu
die nti a me kasa ni se wo hwe break akra etwema ensohwe emu enwiaye mo practices a ekoso no emwa oman no emwa nkwala no emwa ye teacher for nso so efisa nkwala ya no da omubeye ye mpanimfo daache enti sabri se krono na wonum di sha ase dia se daache so mbedi oman yi so ana se obunya bia pa bi ejina ewo oman yi mu a di omo asha ase o hei eno a na ombeda na di daache enti ye pese ye sieso omu se de be ya daache woman kasa asetna no ebeye yi a katasishani corruption bia emma wonu akwan na atia wo mu abetia oman Ghana nso so aka ho bi eno nti abri bia ne yetu omofo so omonya ahwe yie ene examination of practices no eho eno nti ena mema wo mu sa akutuo no ya da ase
ase kio no manyomera ase manfa wo esia no na me kotema na me Bella so enkotwe ekwemisa se da tebade so etie Bella, good morning.
Okay, the event general preparation.
Hello, Bella.
Yes.
Afe tema so dia na ekoso ho.
Oh, betie mu ha temade ameka say school for no bibia ekoso boko e wa ha no say temade e tema metro ene tema west municipal assembly mu etwa but eti ana ye wo tema west ya ha na ye ko school for ni na aba omo wa assembly afi na omo ebehye exam na se na ye hu se obi mami bi so wa se o hu so next ye hu so ni nkola no so kata nti ye bi sane se normally na edu se na ya na nkola no hu we ka omo nti as health official wa ha se no arrangement ben omo aye so far ma nkola madam pacho na ye pacho FM Vivian Ablafogo. Okay, we are why mini nurse yademi atu jumedie yihu na anope no kre we have engaged the students tampa na yehu say omo ye a little anxious nti ani omo akasa so far no 14 schools and a bachelor exams no 2 of them are pregnant. Okay. There is no physically challenge nti ejidi say even though 2 pe enyemo no mpo no omo kra omo won omo hope and omo ogidie so omo to natural exams into no maba it is here no there was clinic with school mo ha yetema secondary school your friend la bruise na say nkola ni bi hia imwa concerning omo health omo to me aba for necessary treatment that okay it so far schools ni na amaba obi aba so it me bra
Bella.
Yes.
Eti afiyanke students ni nyina aba bedru.
Students ni na aba bedru se omo wie omo assembly ha se tema wa SGNA students ni na aba bedru a se ya ma kwa assembly wi a se kana nurse ne kai no omo encourage omo ne omo kasa na bo area omo first time exams a omo ye no ntino omo word of encouragement se na be ya omu bogu bebre if no omu see various teachers so from various schools so any omu students no kasa se na be ya bibia be koso ye wa hanum say aha tema west there omu wo tema school aha ino ye kasa fi if ha ye be ko tema metro so na ya hwese na ho so se na nyama esi wo ho.
Okay, Mati Bella be da bebre we ba pacho meko zoom na mene owura Kofi Asare Peripo da edu watch ano enso akwatwe enkobo ade ba ko ha ye pedru so hwetwe se ya na examination leakage etu behwe no na enkwada ebi omunim hu bi ana wonim hu bi no yakɔhodi omu purpose na ebi edisua ya akachi afi etwem ya de bia ba ko epem so agwan kopie mu asem bia kwabere betimi afa so betimi deal with this examination malpractices and the leakages are ye mo frey edisuam owura Kofi asa oti aka mo achi emu akwaba edeba Badwam so on Adom TV.
Yeah, nia ichiamu ne etiefo ne ahwefo nyina
etiefo ne ahwefo ejo so eda sa no peso agebre anybody enkomo yes say ko another examination war in quotation mark ekwaba na fi said this time for so betimi aboa na ye yi sa leakages and more prices in free mu ni en sa nko wie se ne ko wie last year de no
yo examination of MCBC any there questions no leaky.
Okay.
Na aya more of examination more practice. In Kolani examination hall na aya na ebi no mo the answers and as ebi mo the predetermined answers eba ebi mo the foreign materials eremu ebi no mo the phones eremu na omo copy answers man for edina bibia omo tro edit WhatsApp and Telegram platforms so mo any idea a common form of examination or practice na afibia no wae so omo saka sa ankola ya o tro mo aso na you feel say you do maybe what you education sector now was say you train you na aso edina so say examination more practice no I don't believe friend a manifestation of integrity deficits in our system, and yet primarily a WIAC issue. Okay, WIAC a role to play, but the questions are not leaking. The dynamo one no. Nyamande no WIAC a role, but I am pay. Ne fapem pa no efrifie. Esan say o titi akwala no e kwan so a obema na te ase se nso sha wo kotre sua niye okwa na wa tro ne a obetimi atro eno ano no utro wo de wi a na wa ye den wa sorry enhwe obi ade so ansa wa tro ne a onimpe na kotro sa wo fie awofo ina atumi etu ombafo e wo ha a omo ye exam ebedu BC no ehia so obehwe se police for and as regulators and now why for ebe very very vigilant na dia ankani na hu hia eje bia me de me banu school mfato no de bia me ka me banu se oye exam sa okwa on throw ne with my chope owie eno ano no hu no se ne ref bibia na hwe se wo so ochena osua de yi onti examination practice bia wo hoda omo crampo de on papers yi de ba Ghana Cambridge ye de ba Ghana be say 1 month papers no it make keep you Ghana 1 month and so en likida and you know the system trains the children to be of high integrity emo mo ti assess examination no mo tro no and yet do or die and yet a test of whether you are useful or useless there be ye pese ye carry in pempenso an ye kire wo no wetimi aden ati ase and unti said there will see class test said there will see mock e school no sa suna na do kwakoye examination na BC and unti no do na na dina wo no so sa wo no ye na ye man nkasa na say omoti ase say integrity matters me hu ne enti a akwala ne papa eni mama atred integrity no or de apo ebehye ne ho or de mobile phone ebehye ne ho na akọ titi e examination hall a onim say e na e be cancel papers
okay yeah menim say na say wo ka bedwaku amampani power say yen hwe ne etim nya sakra o Ghana ye de sua enyina mu ye dey say over 200 suggestions na ebaye committee amoye ho adman. What were some of the conclusions any recommendations amumeki here when it comes to examinations of this nature?
Well, me report na idama mampeni.
Okay.
Enti o mampeni na so de tuja.
Okay.
I'm fine tuja no mean to be in can report no asem bi anche.
Okay.
Na emomu no Africa Education Watch na many omo yeduma no in the past 6 years no Ghana high na leading organization ya champion reforms in our assessment sector BEC and WASI. One of the proposals I did to that since last 2 years. In fact, political parties in the choir campaign currently engaging both NPP and the NDC manifesto committees on education. But quite the truth say one of the main reasons into a BEC, more practice on the economy say Obonifa say high stakes examination.
Okay.
So okoye examination na I said there a do or die. Yeah. Also you try everything possible say also won't die you be do high stakes. In the high stakes nature a amount for need that level of integrity and finding all the necessary ways to pass because so am pass ya or when you school up.
Yeah.
Into one of the recommendations you make here and say here say a BC 8 subjects, 9 subjects. If I so be any so, an unnecessary stress and a demand color. Tamanana BC 8, 9 subjects na no. Satana BC na a terminal examination. You can't terminal like I say. So what course school we basic education now? Who terminate or junior high school 3? Na amount certificate. In Satana BC a terminal examination a amount certificate. That's why nana etisa. But you see how there BC and yet terminal examination biom purposely for school placement.
Okay.
In fact, so BC, you know, you're back up. A trend near Obeko school, be a Benku secondary school. School I'm in a coy. And then maybe I know because school or Prempe, and I know because school are mine, and I know because school per sec. And no pet internet BC in the year.
Okay.
And until say terminal examination, you are assessing and now my certification in all the subjects there. And you answer be a BC in all the subjects.
Okay, it's been about me.
Yeah, I tell you what, you know, near the two political parties, then you say, or moon reduce number of subjects, no. Embra 4.
Okay.
Maths, English, science. And maybe a general paper. Not general paper, no. And yet, other subjects in like crack. No, we have no multiple questions.
Okay.
Multiple answers, sorry. Multiple choice questions. Okay. Now, or maybe reduce stress level. Say that in 3 days, you know, why BC, and maybe in 2 days, 4, 2 a day. So, 2 a day. Now, it reduces stress now for I go through. So, it reduces the cost of administering BC. It also reduces the cost of the financial cost of running BC.
Okay. Go me know we were so we share last year SSC Emma a treye na a doso chair member. This year BC Emma ya a tre a doso chair a member. We are ya enkananka yenta e hunu ne sa trend na e kono e ne papam and if he say Emma doso chair member nti ene ewu sa figure
data from the Ministry of Education, so the sister, you are transgender parity. Okay. By 2021, you be gender parity.
Yeah.
It's time you are transgender parity. At the basic level, there are more girls than boys across board in our senior high schools. Since 2023, we've been recording more girls than boys writing the BC.
Yeah.
At the national level. But then your regions be on more, say you're more girls than boys. More boys than girls, especially in the northern part of the country. You know, was that there are more boys than girls at the regional level. But national level education now, a track a cry 49 point, a track a cray.
Yeah,
and you know a manifestation of the data, the statistic within the basic education system, and at the same time, so they reflect the population dynamic. We have a little fewer males than females in the general population. And it's a good say a man no does chair member of Ghana Hantino, you are more a ma kakrebi say etro BC than a member. It's also true say Ghana you're making progress in reaching gender parity. Okay. You can't gender parity as a target in sustainable development goals and Ghana's education strategy plan now. And yet say more a man than a member. Debbie. I said the ratio of men to women, ratio of males to females, say the same.
Okay.
In this case, the ratio is not the same. In fact, we are not at par. We must always be at par. It's our try and you're good. Oko below so and you're good. But for girls' education, because for a country that has invested so much in promoting girls' education, girls' enrollment, especially girls' retention and girls completing basic school, before say a good omen. Indicating a level of success for girls' education interventions, including community and then family level commitment and towards enrolling their girls in school.
Education. Kofi yabada se kofi asare pedipa no ene da edu watch anam te se ene no etwetwe kobodo enti weba so wosa wayek for data na fato somame na ye ma hwefo ehwe ade ansa na magibo de ma oman ne kwabena santem enti so we dey say wayek data na e buy no edisuafo a etwere afi ensohwe no eye 603,328 emu 297,250 ene ye mema ene mu 306,078 eye ema eti this is a breakdown Greater Accra Emma dos na social say east na man mema no pem so ekakra e na central so the same western mam sha asantri ni kwaje man atitim kra e na bunu so ema no ewo animu blue east ema no wo animu ahafo ema ahafo de emema no wo animu chen manti emema atwere anso hafi ewa ahafo no edoso chen ema atwere oba voter so a ema no wo animu ena ko otinso a emema etwere afi no edoso chen emema etwere ena ko northern regional emema etre afi no edoso chen emaya etrem eti wo ba bia na owura Kofi Asare ekeka no there are some regions bi won mu a the girl child education no still also improving the year pa ko here from Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Western North, Ashanti, Bono East. Ebe suwa ni nyina na just say emano ekwanmu but say oh but mami data no but so oti eba from kakra about the northern part na so now oti region northern region eyade a emema no edoso northeast emema no edoso savannah emema no edoso upper east emema no edoso so it means say girl child education yehwe I have for voter I have for Oti, Northern, Northeast, and I have Savannah, and so eye. Yes, I have for Oyama and member treasure of you know, and also change a ma, a wahafo. Or my Cabrassanti at a Sumaboko there.
They be say I have for.
Yes,
a mano,
a member and also change man.
Man
overall, a man and also change member no fee.
What's the difference? Go to her for let me see.
So okay, so Osha are for now. A member is 6,313. And a man here 6,262.
Okay, not bad. Not bad.
That's 51 difference.
And my baby, I'm waiting. Now call Eastern is what I say.
It's you find Eastern region, so a man here 27,490. And a man here 27,269.
Ashanti region is saying.
Ashanti region, a man here 60,460. And a man here 58,894.
Good. In the next time, if I break down the work, Kumau, Kwaben, Kenya.
Okay.
Kenya 1 and 2.
May you hold my watch now?
Why? Okay. Because me that's it. Aquaba so.
Me that's it.
Mama Bibia, come on. More display. Me ya Santini, ewo honum. Yedamase. Me Kyle say, they make a question in him was swa bisi and rather. Namena, bisi namede. Wa mai sa erefie ni sa de na nkene oba ogususu nti go si nyame hira woni utini nyina mo ya adwuma kase na titu ni bi ni oba kai titu bi eba
me kai titu bi say your man penny his excellency John Dramani Mahama your former president ya nyakopodo mo acheye didi na ka so by John Ajekum Kofo na afena na Adom Kofo nti we ya dom ya na no juada eba Asante Mampong. Eti Asante Yoma no enano juada edadi ye wa Asante Mampong amahine wa Asante man makumako aduenum enum 55
they did
it and ba Asante Mampong amahine paramount chiefs
omo more than 55
omo 66
hey
Asante amahine nyina
and
66
they all joined 55 they joined
55 ni na with 85 VIP buses from Menchia to Asante Mampong.
Hey,
to when you na we ya amahini we ye amahini ye ke o.
Ti we nye minipa
okatechi. When you okatechi we.
Enu okatechi dey.
Yes. Usoba amahini na ye wo ahemfo ai wo sa amahini ase. Omu nyina so bai.
Oh.
Na so ba Asante man dia ye puye ni hwe opemso ni ahwe amahini. Eti amahini ka wasem out of 66 no, emu 55 and a bar na no juada.
Let me senior brother ka Kumawu.
Yes, Kumawu mind nearby.
Oi. So I see me Murphy. It be called when we go through the process is a normal person.
Don't be ready TV sure. Where you dumb yeah nano.
What?
But in fact, my penny in the pen for cry no crime cry ya put you for come in there.
Okay.
Na de papa.
It ma memfa wo shombo so kai kwasi agiman.
Yes, me kan.
Yes. Na kwasi agiman.
Yes.
Nyame ya doma ne hokani 1 week observation.
Yeah.
Ebeba so Mrs Elizabeth Agiman. Draft na Nigeria. Nyame adma ya wada there ni me the 12th of June. E wona na kwasi agiman residence so.
Sure.
Nti yenka adofo na omunkotai abusuachi. The banner, so we said the banner, Ayana, or Sagidi, engineer thousand. Yeah. Oh, when you Yako Casiepa, Yako, I was acquired by
but I feel as I
no.
Yes, of him, no.
Now, Osasano, Predator Bay,
or call down Crenmo Mokoye, a mamma ready, I could see that's a ben, a stronco, and away and the PA. abonten
opim so no o angel onye normal ayi
asante your mind
betwa so
na naja kuma di fie yotos mi na asante man po hema so da obi ase odaga na man nyina ase sambeta na chi amotimi apɛ ne wofa krabea asante man po so ye ni so ni asante man ene Ghana man nyina ayde man ne kwabra asante eto aso
na kokofu si ya ka kwantuo ye uka sa nyom dia ene chairman kokofu atrase ti jadi lumba na ne bo nyom nti sabre no na wo kwa ama no ne a enye adeketoa ho na ibi gina airport na yesu sa because wo benya telephone na wakogina Adom post office wo be na ebo nyina asalai ti sabre na kom na kokofu mu ko ene ze ne ni su break ese pa go utu a kwan be ne be fa so ne wakasa na sabre so lumba ne boy se oya branti mu apa chama kokofu akwaba
Joseph Abrukana
potential general secretary for the NPP eti say
Adom ne mpa bontie
be kan na wasre edi wu se chama kokofu banti usura na
said the was say the ongo yi o
na the we are part of the New Patriotic Party
ohine I want to say
what the one we dey bibia beka openji go see
asemo man no way ongo yi
everybody oh Debbie June for me who celebrations
in fact June for na me ni o mai mu
oh okay
nti mentimi anko bi
white no ada bibi ikonimde bi ho na
me ana I say I be part of my style of dressing
oh so white say kwasi pride ka de bia na me she black a che na no she black me say na I assembly am feel say ada black is your color yeah so white
enra momukra no ruling bia na me expect no some of my businesses some of my land no back one koye but it's fine but we will appeal so that's fine
but do na nam
of course yes nyankopon se bia beti obi ano emfa na semma no
good
so that's good I mean it's one of those things in life you know so we're fine
chama kofu alright na sentiment tem say bibia da bako
mamema ahwefo ne atiefo achia no pay na ode sante sama ba mu de ma mi nyimi chento ho MP mo achi empo mo de say boko
Benifor no. Na fe o ko pe general secretary di dia. Asumo. Bo ma branch ni ma shishi no.
Come na break a create twa mi fiada. Yes. Ana opimso Santimera. Say two tia mienu tumfo. Na ohun se say two ko ye no so. Usa akon no so. Na asem breachi by ya ni se akuma difie ye Santimampon manhima ne ne mpanifo de betutumfo anim se ye da sebre sebunsu ote si sikadweteso unim se Silverstu wada de benkum so ti ohine obe ne de se nyaaba so de asedama twedi ampon na ode ne nesi fom se be men sinsuo mansa no ham ti ntempa ode ne ma gu akwam ayen hihye ma ni abofka se me friend instructions no na hema ne mpani nsuso je to mu akoma pem ti o mu yen hihye ni fiada ana dwubade ne hyase apim su bia yenom henkwa ne hinananum ne adehye nkume na eze di kantem ti me kwasi ada na mkokosomye na nedwada atwa mu na chese Santimera asem ni nyina onam dia eso obehwe ofe ni achi na afi kwanya bi ho a oja no kra oni ne dinkra eno na kwasi oyia na amanfo nyina ehwe no na utumfo nyansa mu ne hihye mu no onim se Sante yoman na yinyina wo Ghana memu se nipa baako na yinyina na yaje atum se omampani bribiara mu no yenya omampani na oni omanani anu ti odini die sonko ma omampani a ote adwamu eye president John Dramani Mahama sanso na yitia yeye ye wo omampani dada a wabesom oman na yinyina yehunu se na de kamia yeso adambo sompo no ne His Excellency J. Kufuor. Afei omampani otwa mu na anu ye. Odane akonwa no ma omampani ote adwamu na ada kwa Kufuor ado. Na che se santemawura hwehwe se ampanifu nyina beba beka no ho. Na mba beboa no mapepa nani ase nesu. Ampani de sie yoro. Eno na yehu na bibia makwa. Sante Ghana ye wa mamre ni abakwasem a esumbo na eda yenso wo wiase nyina. Oba ya bibre mu ha. Ehinsem ni ade bibre wo ho. Anso ye die mu no eduru se ye da amane ni amamre dia ye ye no wo oman domu ma obi biara de no ho agimu bi. Hwe doma ekopie mampo. Ebedin o kwabra bedin be nwanwa se obi fufuro bi so ye bi ana o jadi hie bi kwan a obenya ne se bi jai na no na se santehene bono appellations na appellation ya de samrane bono samrane na obinya ne sa ko be not better santio man na inimse sante hema na oboye yure chidom
obinya ne sa
ko be bi
enkwasi afue
jayo kwamra nko
obinya ne sa
enuti
sa nyom nyame de o se na natimi toa no apusu no ba akiri se opusu ba akiri sa bate no mo de agina na se enkwasi afue de no me hye na kosua de wo sa ade na ya omuka ko na natimi sa na e ma de awoso na si
kosua ne tem na wo dis year preko ma
obinya wo a obinya ya se na o se kan obinya ya hono o ka de
obinya ne sa ko be bi
obinya ne sa ko be bi
santio man
anu wi e so de santio man so so
kwamra onim se me papa
nti yen kam ya santini kam ya santini me ya santini
ese o
santio man
o chireche mu yie
nti kwamra onim se me mese tumfo sa man hene ana se kwaku tia miensa ode manhia friwa
ono ne manhia
fiewura enu nti papa de ba akohoma manhia so
mo hihye na efu
papa nti ade da ho saa no na ho kwa nti sa hene na nanom saa no ye bo papa chi dom na ye kuhia na ye som a ohun se ampa
ade na mo se mokosobi ade na mo se mokosom
na o kopemfo animu a na o komanhia die bi na akwe
bekosra no
dabi
mekosom
okosom
ndi onim no be ne nsrawe no wati
wa ahoho ne nintini binom bia obetumi abesra no because o ba no akọ dia be din komo bi na ye no ma ye de na se manhia se ye prapra ho esi atitententan esi ekonsu esi ekọ anyina esi ekọ buchi aho na se ifufuo kura na ma menom bedwa banche ne body e de be sija so ase ye wo ye de no
tifikesiem ma mienu miensa na enum bia o mo hye da ba besa sa na aya no atom na oni omoko prekoper sa ma na ye ade hye ofio
de hye kron e gina baba so na ni nyina mu no e adom Yankopon owe na dum arakwa na otumfo
besi
sante dru na ekafua magana ye nyina ye baako se kwamna kan omu pe statistics no ahemfo ahodo amanhina ahodo a free Ghana afana nyina akopie ho nse de okan sante amanhina nko akeke 55 na amanhina ahodo aka wo Ghana na nyina no we free Ivory Coast no ne hwanhwan e ba beka o beka oyene o fadase dase abu santema dase Ghana dase akukuduro unyansa Ni bibia wodi tumi a onyankopon de fem ye de aboa. De wase papa. We nyina mu no na bo konsensem keken a mampani de agya no ogususu oguso. Na Israel.
Okay. Jibre na ohwe na oti na osua it's so important. Santi o mayampa. Yanko history jibre. Avondi na watch fita dey be o party na power. We see the assembly kama. We fuel assembly kama. Account nurses no illegal mining the na IBB o. But bibi e kokama. Eji odi e pa na beka. Ono na betimi a kire mu say one city ni bia me ntimo ase ana kana chichi bia nka mo ye no. On the bit much now the chirimu papa e dey aba
me nchia we me ko history kwamra so akam no ya di jadu kwa ma nko me ko history jiri bra
yo wo dey wo pa me tona mo bo me so wa na ba kwasi wajina so ache fache me machina eastern region he fa na obutu
Oma hemeda se me butu lower west akem ya saman kese ha na me butu a yakọ center toso mako miensa ha centers no ye 9 ene wa ha yakọ de toso miensa na obehwa achechefo meche vigilators and afi security for mehwe nkwada no abom ho ban no ne ade and afi so no school for nkwada na nkasa ho keka no wo soro papa besan se na no pay no ohwa obia aye petre a wa ye krado se wo twen na no nkron no abo na omode nkrata no abeto o manim na ja o matro ntu bi sa me a improvement the D lower west akim at the and quadano 7,000 near 3 and then the year so metro ha and my womb sabemino case crame who said be wa woman mafuni to so pa e wa hanum so mu na edi tanti mubia ya obo twen sem pani e beje brena omo de krata na ba no mo so atrobi nti improvement the BT so re no bibia de dia ye hwe nim se brena be so na krata na ba na atro.
All right, now what did it say?
Miriam Pacho Sabrabim.
Nsuo na ni ofoma na se ho asem ti say.
Nsuo de ni ofompa san se oba pumantem a won se wa kwaya hodo wa anti. De nsuo no topa anti senkran. Ya bosom na de ba kwa fam fam so na se ade. Ade de bia nwumre bia nsuo no eto ha no nan bia na jamu na wo hwewie mu na ahyehye e ba pa e won patem ho a enya asem ketwa. Ye bon pa se o metwa ko fie wi ansa na nsuo no agugu wa ha.
I see all schools ni boy de could one moto na etwa kwa na ase den.
Anne wo hene se wo be pie mu wa ha nipa ni bi atiti nsuo no achi. Sa empatem ha ye empatem bia video bi pia akwada bia na omonam nsuo so a mampani ye se asojafo bi kura nye pampima na so omonye entwen bi no ne ade fa tutu nsuo no so ha no se obeka ya empatem ha na mabai enti nkwada ne bi fi nsuo no achi me no ka se o ma de kodo no afa nsuo no so abedu ha da a omo mpempen se krata no be ya krado no machoro omo mo atisuo na chi no doso san se su abna wa ha petensu ha pra wa ha nsuo bebre asusaso pa na wa ha enkwada no afa so aba enne omo nyina abeduru da kra omo twen san se akwada obetre exams wa na krampo ahomache no wa no dwayo no simu eno aba to omo nyina ya krado ha.
I see agosi mame na say na yebesa ba oso biem sa be na bi o ma hye so na so mo wi ansa yet ba bon komo ye e da se ne obra o jimae agosi aso East Region on a correspondent no de san komo we e de abraye ye to komo no so an say mame ka say chairman kokofu an say na fe era vondi twifu atimokwa ni chairman akwa council of state member chairman
Hakim Ade
council of state member nti wakosa do so chairman
ona ho ya chairman say yanyanto aba nti ono a ne bekoso ya chairman
okay
nti say to aba na so wanko biomode a ana so bi foforo be di nkunimu a
okay
no onipa no
apart from that be a good constituency
be a fine ma menchia women organizer Madam Confidence or ya dear pa any DC foforo ya nya no
okay
Isaac Yosen
onye DC ba kuna na one ne kekra no
ya kasa o phone but Ajima a very nice guy
so no I mean the nipa no
serious Ajima oh seriously my main no I think NPP abreso no na me DC dia me no I mean you may have one or two disagreement here and there but he's been very nice you know ni adema me nchi obibia na me nchi asanteman me wa he menye asantini me oyigbeni na mi hu mmobo ma mi oyigbeni na ohwe nana Opimso, Asantiman Hene, Asantiman Wura, Osei Tutua. Nuyama waye, any said Yanama, na Hindi and Tiano. Nana Yina Yasumo, new Nipaba Copena Sumo, we are Santinio, when you are Santinio, Ghana Nibia Nana, Yasumo, Papa, said ya Yasuma him for Fonyanano, Yasuma Nana Cassium, and Intino, and no many be all share traditional Yinibia, Utumo say Nanadia or the Mufua. Menoka say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and Yahuaku could draw, and the daso. Edi bokunze nsemi nyina di ahye na nansa ani kire wo se amanyofom nyina amanyosemfo nyina akora di tum se opim so de yansra ne yesom no ani nti yehia na afi ye di hye kese a watofom so otomfo nyankopɔ fa ne kransie na onhwe na echiri ontutu bibia amayen na wo hwe a former president bibia odi no ho hye nanam na tunofo na so de no kasa o kan pain kyerɛ wo me kai asem bia na otumfo aka ye say ono no odi nkonwi no ka say ono won kan asem bia ma Ghana court bia ensi sanada wo kasa asem no sabi mpreduasa na nyese na ye dwa o dem mo no nyansa ni budi o wonti nya de obeka bibia court bi beka se wanka ni ye obesesa no Tutu Musa Solomon Mwana betra Ghana no a ye hwe ne saa no. Ye di na dwen kyerɛ ene ne futuo ba ye adwuma. Bere me gidi se Ghana be fa ne tuma pa fra. Nana e nyina ye so mo. Wo bucket wa media kra de me wona na. Kete kra ye so mo na usafata so si ye so mo. Enti ye nchi asante mai.
Ba. Aigbeni na akasa no.
Pia mo awisi.
Ti nana de
Ghana nyina ya ba ko
say ya hinfofo wo ka hinfofo akese wo ka togbe afede mo ne ya nyina wo yesum wo mo nyina ade ni die ma wo ebra na wo mo di o man so kese no na bone hye ne mo bebre wo ne nua mo wo fomo wo nipa enkola boade wo kotra ka mu na sabofrate akonwa so a wo sori ma pani betra ho
he odi e kwa chi no sabre no
sabre no
ene ye ntimi masa
ene no
akura ko besa chiwa we chinga mato
no ya wo ye bone ade wo kwa hemfie ne atwe aso ne bone wo fom ene no I know my right here be enti ye na no ma hemfofo akasefo ya Ghana me gidi se ye wadi oye
good
ye wa ndi no media me gidi se nka sa galam se fight yi se dia opemso adi ne ho agimu a wasore ka himfofo ni nyina ya himfofo sabi ahindi bia nsha na nso bi didi bi echi sa himfochinye sa na tie ndi se ko mo nyina be sua opemfo opemso nanka otumfo se dia wo pese wo tu galam se ya se no ye nyina wo mo nyina be sore a kamididi se wo ma ho de no so sin politicians de no mo person de tu galam say na ase no wa politician de nya oni nkrofo na ti ho na de woni wo mo na ti ho na ka se da bi ni be ye adwuma na sabio wa mo
oye bia
men ka se oye bio
I'm saying they be say come on
na wa mo e bia na woni mu hu bi na
ahadwene
wo ya no na ahadwene se na ni jaye nso na ayeden men ka se na ye bio na ya na bi mu
ahadwene
ai na nya nkwada o
se wadar ma se
na wo galam se ya se ya galam se na nkwada
ye se da na bi wo za we de wadar ma watra se ya mo aka yi fi edija no sa na tie de se na sa se na ojo de no ajibi ene sa na
so phobia Oko preacher wa kana nyame.
Se makaka mu fidi.
Makaka. Ena me aso me me hojimo. Entino ya na nanom ahimfo akasefo wa Ghana no. On so mo enim de enso. Na nanom ko school. Me kai pa se Asante Hini ekenkan a. Pilot bi enchen no. Broni bi entimi.
Honestly,
his style of reading is excellent.
Chairman said I did that carefree check on ahimfo around Nana. And you realize that I didn't even know it's a focus
Professor.
Nikki. I was shocked. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was shocked.
Professor
lawyers.
Na nankasa de so working kan ya. Dia obeye bia obeja no ahero.
Na kwamra nim ne MPA ke.
Seriously, you know.
O twen adwin
Wow. Nice.
On say ebra ye adwin say asoman ye be call sa parliamentary whatever democracy rule no ne ade aye gi tumi ni bebre e free na nanom hemfo ho. Ade a nyansusu so boni o. I'm say going forward na see ehwe na tumi ni bi o ho see de man nanom back e be ye ne yenye na chieftaincy medie na yedi ahensem no dwumedie ne hyem kenaye kopem se na nkran ha unim se yo ya brand say dede ya bani dede nanom se afashenti ya bani dede nipa nyina di so sore nom ne ho ahwan nom ne ade nyina so enti nanom ewo tumi se kumawu ne ana mmia na woye kumawu ni bei bibia woye bia na mon bia wutu bia wani wo ho kopem se animguase ba akoka no enti wodwene ho mienu yaza he say ye sign koyachi
ya be system na
kra beboa pa in discipline na our system society abroso koda bu
chema abroso kra
na wo kane wo se ne hwan
abroso
si di kuro se bra ya bra we na mi akola bi ade a ye ne nyazo akoye ne amo
mo fa nche ye bo fie nkomo kakra mo fa nche
akoye ne amo ho na di kuro ne mpanina frɛ no na begina ho ye twi na ni mu ane so ya boka nkukɔ nsia nkusia create mienu na ya bobɔ ne ade a ko agina ho nka hwe ni segunachi na ba ko obe no o scratch ya himfie de ya boka ya sret na mi betua just onye na jinsu betua nti o sret so ko sai na nyumre na o ko libya
we dwane
oko so enti na
hey kwado ma baby
I can't tell na we ne wan
but who here see this uncle because we always say the next generation the hope and the future of the country but as we sit here you free the outer the generation after us in there that's where the danger is
you mean be omunti ase
Debbie and they absolutely no time to waste no time to go through any due process
ya catch and so for crack catch and say abosun sem
what
ahini no your identity no your core governance system no share your court system ni ade nyina emanate from ahimfie nsem die ni ade
so how I wish and I pay the vondia how I wish this administration will push the agenda to make Nananom a key part in our quest to fight that illegality that friend of Gallant said. It's going to be so helpful and needful because I must add here, sir, econo. The strategy of about who do the issue
because no
it'll be difficult.
Sir, Juma no fact is fact. Sika wom. And now the people they themselves want it. They like it. Na adia oni panu awo ye no ankasa pe no e din se wo be manai jai di onu aye no ope no because look when you go to some galamsey areas na se wutie se de adwuma ne tia o mamu ni nyina e adwuma o ma agi atomo o mo ye so you don't enye easy se wo be ma oni panu a wote ho no adwuma na wo ya wagi atom se no no wo ye na o man ni nyina agi atom se anye ni sane yete sane ye enye izi so ba manager yi o se ya de anka ebimu na ye ena dodoɔ ne mpa a eno no ne jaye no eye kind of a little easy fane say armed robbery nipa wo krum bebre fane say nipa be 1000 wo krum na nipa be 3 4 and I am robbery sir it easy so betimi achi won na am robbery no ye jaye by way no hwe fa ne say bia nipa be 500 bo krom nipa 500 am 450 agitum sade ne ye no ye bie na peni no wo krom akra no sabi e bi kra no wo ye bi what dey azie sade no nipa no oti krom ne pe no agi atum se sana metie sana meye no ni jaye ne very
one was the MP making very serious submission.
What is it?
So
it is now, difficult.
I would have loved say Kafi Chairman Sabri.
But you be fresh pitch.
You be a fresh pitch. But you see the problem here, me no politician. Me no. Any escalate here there. Now last year Kafi Sabri could you have said that?
No. No. What do you mean Kasanu? Waba abehu reality no. Now the reality means that all of us should join hands.
I agree. Until me blame you in politics.
So you bet me
because and then me
alright. Yes, empano. You say afa we no.
Because una out here kunyano so ya ma utumi ni nyina fight it.
There be o. That is why.
Say kwamna na be fa na free hands so be kwa solve problem na man.
That is why.
Fa na fight it.
That is why it is important.
Say ehimfo ya je tun say ehimfo betimi aboa. Let us go ahead and ask them to help us to fight it.
Asantene this year.
They began in this year.
Ghana in this year.
Yangi basic to team into one. On say waka sembi. Ye no tuma. E ma ye nyini no. Any punto ni e kankon e koprom. The first year to me say. Ye nyina ya ye mfumuso a enye ne kwan so no.
Based on utterances sometimes you make it depending on where you stand.
Among yourself.
Depending on where you stand.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we need to close the chapter.
Exactly.
But the point is, when are we closing the chapter?
That's the difficulty.
But we can do it now.
Fine. I agree we should do it now. Intina na meka say, sa akon ati sa no. Enye sika ni jan, any tuo ni edekon.
Yeah. I agree.
And your influences that you can get the top. Kakra na wo soro ho no a enyi ntum no. Any the influence no ye nananom e wo pepa ahobrase ne ani die mo nananom nyina me buo me som won enye nananom nyina na ye de enye bebre no aya de papa emfo agalam ne sei no so me gitum sa na tie hwefuman hene me som o timo kwa ma hene me som o bebre mo nya agalam sei fo sa na nananom bebre nso wo ho a wo mo nya agalam sei fo me sei de ye betimi aye ne sei aban no ni ahemfufuo no momi yentimi mom na akono ayeyie tie politicians who fa sojafoɔ na fetuo so mo ba constituency de bia na wo ba ho the boys no be hia na o ma pipi bi agya kokwan o de me kire say arrangement wo ho into wa hia sweet boat no mo de ato o mo car so de ba ya no
o ma sa de ko
en kan sure na de akọ arrangement to de me kire into no
body
see me pen kure o ti ase look now into wo de atuo ni jan a it won't work. That's the truth. Aye ade mienu enkola na ye yi wo mo free nsuo no so pra no so no ese se wonya equally a good thing for them to do, and no then you have a reason to remove them. Number 2, empenifo na ehwe kuro no so no ese se wo fa kwan bia so mo o mo gitum se an ye jai nokure mu yanya ya ampa na mom se nokure no anye sa na nipa no oti nsuo oti kuro no so akuro ne ne de ya no wonim se nananom na ye kuro ria na se kuro ni wura no ankasa ne nyintum se ye nya ya no ono kura ka kyerem se sojafo ba ntem nka kyerem boys ni nkofie no mo koba ba no oni kowie a wasan so akọ edwuma na se sa na ti a
organize labor afie twem organize labor
2 months to end galamsey
2 months to end
now TV so awoti a wo ye dede wo nipa do adapa kro
organize labor can say aban na ho no antunya stop galamsey a oman no be shut down October 10th
one was and
that time no na
obi di remember ho money we na say money we na say
statistics remember ho me say organize labor papa organize labor owe ma organize labor afie twem uma abana no ho 2 months to stop galamsey. Indeed, okay, said by 10th October. Now on stop here. Professor Jampo, no way.
Or Shippers Authority.
Okay.
It is not wrong to make good and very inspiring statements. It's not wrong.
I escalate into your sramo. Mumia may homeless. You say MP or Brano pay. As some crown and your galamsey, I said, but just an ahomete. Into organized labor, Pijamu. Then young crusade, you know. So, does he find him from Cajon?
Now, organized labor is not a part of it. The appeal is that Nananum should be
organized labor way.
Oh,
you're strong. Organized labor, Kasa, or May, you're strong.
But Nananum, edge your mujim year, a boy.
I think said they were up him so. I organize it, solve Boko problem, no. So up him so fat galamsey fight say. Or no superintending over all the chiefs to ensure that Galamsey be India. I have so much belief in my spirit.
Confidence.
So will be to me
okay. Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Well, you will only the whole Parliament. No. From there. You do two in Amama. Now somebody solve problem.
MPP for. So
oh yes, MPP, NDC, KYZ. Oh, okay.
Jitum say. Now, we do two galam so.
MPP for I
and they.
But I won't need evidence. Won't need evidence.
It's Iowa. That's our bag. We are the next 10 minutes to say thank you for being a part of us. And the Australian might be also, and it will concentrate today. A few minutes now on Quadano and one or two things. For you, I wish you all the best. Montreal couldn't be better myself for the Kumawu enclave also all the best. Oba Kwabe so most more Kwabin and all the best. But Chairman Gufuna also observation because his representation now official back in the view.
Yeah, DC Colada, you know, and the Aquasia a year papa boy. Okay, but Kakrabin and Rebecca as all four.
Okay, so join us, friend, on 0302 211 equals 4 0302 211 because you didn't come up with Brewan, see if you come home, I think about my moon community, you can join us and have a conversation.
So make be as all four. And I feel being so Mr. Go through processing. Maybe a common entrance. MPU then.
Me and GSS you.
You see?
I'm fresh for
O level, Unicorn House.
Oh, common entrance.
And I'm okay.
Yeah, we are common entrance. I don't know, Yapem, but the no clear woman is all for piano. A good Sabria. Oh, no, Banner, sorry, no. Through preparation, teacher for the Bedford we said won't so soon. You be crying any this year, Munum pie boom, and near foot you make a such them. So, an incrance set it you. My home million MP are because I'm go through planning to the minimum, or they go through this. We MP are so organizing, making sure, say. A year school, BC students won't put to me either say Ubeme extra classes. Near Monkey to bring the mass set in the
set near
Ubeshu crying, the one who say, wo as a member of parliament now, war Bessiano Sono, or come on, Nano and so here. Until Ubipia, the Nigerian banana, no for Ubipia, sorry, no me, I didn't know her senko day. You bet my one the next push. And you won't you must say kind of crap. And you know, the bit goes through a bar with flying cars.
Young calls the man, brother, to us, so. But my chair pump to say,
hello.
March, I pump to say,
I had the moment part of our sorry.
Oh, you're not to be able to eat you.
There must not be my partner pay. And you better in your MPP enough. What you to say, seeing all hands together. But yeah, say anka mo wa ben mo na ndisi 4 years anka yin be boy because near ekos ne de e hayi na near yakese pa wo mini ahofo na say be mo fi o mo mamu abegu mu a mo be say ye de adwane akoro na ya by kai ntime mu fo so say na tenem but yin na yen support say enye na yin twa so na garam say fo yet throw mo e mo bi emetu ade ne a wo ye ne enye ebe hayi na da chinti yet throw mo anka omuntwa so na ye ne nso yin ahonto e de masini adwuma pa
okay that's it but that Alex remember all mampon jina so that Alex is it still holding the issue about the cheap foreigners now will deport them is it still holding
I know this is Minister of Interior.
We need to check if it's holding say yeah.
That's the point.
Is it still holding? Because I encourage you say.
One will say, Interior Minister is a very good friend.
Yeah.
And he's a brother. I mean, Muntaka is a brother. But you see, Makawa had that. I feel, say, yeah, chi yeah, dear. Near dinner family, considering our costume.
Yeah.
Near chi. From poor, first of all, illegal for him to even enter that
country. The trade now, you know.
Near Bemano.
So, uncle.
I say, I'm good to talk.
Yeah, come on, I mean,
I can't believe so I feel that we don't have to fault him. I believe he may have a good reason.
Reason is simple. Say, I see all horn. Near boy whom you see at the Nicogina court. Obey being an obekasa. No kasa dinner or bono.
Betia for summer. That Alex Marchia.
24 best.
No problem. That Alex about saying. Oh, Bibia the Danaquem come.
Adom TV, your bomb about so far we can see and Marcus your papa born was anti-mampoha.
Yeah.
Now, area since so say we were Juma now. I'm for so you have said be a soldier for in the media house be to me now. Not to TV for no movie. Obviously, I then I don't walk one. We are the dinner and the abo. What you my papa Jago for show. And the private pass up can you say so? A bo and Palam Paco Trace and singing in Abaso. A castle money or no money. And no prime discussion and so a very good. You know, me say a Badwam or man in Sicily.
Okay, that Alex said that's Aguna for Benjamin morning that he say.
Hello.
Yes, Ben, March upon to say.
Hello.
Unfortunately, Ben, it's in your back. It did a chairman who can never check out as a side and and that reasoning behind it could be one of the reasons, but still we don't subscribe
to protect identity, legal identity. It doesn't help anybody.
It doesn't help anybody.
I mean, seriously.
Some will watch him.
Of course, I mean, China now if you see a body and babu would
block
I don't think that is really a healthy thing.
It could be one of the reasons.
Well, I don't know, major reason. I mean, I don't think so. Be what you be munas or
protection of one by idea.
John Mahama so Mami chia for Timo kwa mai nkola ekotro exams.
Okay.
Baby ti se kitaba then point ja any name petemu ba nyina se oba hasodze twefo praso township na kasa mampon you know ko ntafrawa so de kwa bonsa ho ni me chia wo nyina. Look, we know ye hese ade aya kire wo no ubetimi akaye ana sorobi enim me watch for Timo kwa asesi anka meninam sa na meye no nka meninam anope no honorable yours in DC oninam onemo kasa ya to nsuo ni nnuama se mo ye nyina mama mo de ase ye bia yaye mo ntomobo awofo nso mesremo mo nto nkola no fu yie na wo nkonko ye exam or practices bia ne nkochi na aye nkofa asamo mma wo da chi hia yen nti ye de mpa bota mo chi munya kukudro nko exams no na media me gidi se besi yen yie na besi twefo Timo kwa yie ohwe bebia me fripa na me na meti he ya ene wo mpo a wo nka ne ye mo de e besi wo yie na se wo kra yie nti ye de nyame mpa bota mo nyina mo achi mo nko exams no ani Ghana man nyina nkola wo Ghana nyina no ye bom pa ma wo nko exams no na kobna aja adiba ko ne se yesese no ema no ya doso exams yi mu ase mema no
but it's good
those days no nya sa na nkatie
mema no
na so nnuama ni bi ho a ma edwina e bia na nkola ni bia ko sheshe galamse ase nti ahwa na these are some of the factors social disturbances ayenya ko galamse ase a ye won mebunu kolankitin kitia by this time say mo exams mo throw exams what you say nanso no kolam say no esan say wo kwa obenya instant money nti influencing kolani bebre
aya semo
young
boys no look enye galamsey not back on kan koko die no na fe okada
okada sisia no enroboni aka ho wonim red ene die ye besere mo modachi hia ye nyina media ho bra se ni
generation after us
besere mo awofo obi wo papa na o mami na esuma no onipa akwa wakonya kakra ba mi adokodwaso yi wonso wonko yesere mo ho bra se ni eni ye dachi o mai dachi nti
okay so don so a o ma no so
ben kam ho
fache me mamu agina so ache na ho ye de o kase free
o mai me pa mo cho me tia mo panyimfo
ye jemo so
ami adom me kire ho ye pa
good yet you
me pa cho me bi sa asem kakra Mr. Bondi me kai se NPP wa kunya so what me that na so a ye kase na na do aye fine why bridge why antum da wasi ni krumu hine na ye why antum da mu ponu bia why antum na mi busa se wuntumi a yetata no galamsey hu NDC fo no omo entu bia na wuntumi nkwa na netu galamsey no na ese omo tata no
okay
busa sa asem NDC fo ba yi omo ntu bia na
you
with the honest answer very honest answer memfuaso sa wo ye NDC ni ana wo ye NPP ni na wo to galamsey memfuaso se enne galamsey no untumi ene ye disney fasa akwan so a obi biara wo NDC a wo nso wo tu bi no hwe ne hunu se mmere ye ne nkaso aye dan a me de mama NPP for 45 years o me ba ba mu bi
eno kro de on beba
sa wo ye dan a
on beba
na dia wo ye bia no o kire bi na untumi wo bo no onim sa ke ye beba
da bi
sa no wo anim o ahwe yie ani se wo be kai se emmere ye ne nkaso ntumi die anya sua de ema ye ne ye wa ban mu sesia in as much as me GNDC Jomama His Excellency na appointees ni nyina di miji wo mu di yie so obi nkoye de a ye nya no hwe yie na ochina bi wamfa wo ye anya sua de a na minim de a wo de be sua de bi o
okay so ya ma yaw ewie ma na afia mba rap up studio yaw machi
yes cinnamon
kuma
se say watching what my yawa cinnamon
yes sir
and the people are as a result of the strike, Marshal Mr. Tristan War, Benedict Hotel. Better, they want to quite home. Doctor could also need for more than 25. Omani Billy Kick. But some next you won't know our sister, not bad or bad. It remembers yen medical health element in the day. Sabi. Sawu omanana so when you new general manager of the day jumana let's workers what's in the increase one salary and they be for one salary as a new manager every time when you are but let's show you no the strength of the company and some to be that account don't think I have to follow no man we increase into us in there and the one next year no one say because no already manager 6 months to pay no abefe tumuno nti sanko winya botalaman no wa kon package man because ni panon kwa they don't need to system kita mini but some way you market their company to make someone understand that someone you have a legitimate reasons but one care there when you manu or you human centered one can know first.
All right. That's it. This situation is so worrying. That's why I am so also worried when some of the commentaries being run and they say, "Well, we a diploma for," and I'm on almost a day. You know, just one calm down. You know, every way, no be any break a crack.
Yeah, Kofa retired.
Kofa retired nurses. It's not sustainable. We share for more. You know, to mess up by Ghana Health Service, the Ministry of Health, the Minister. and a omo kasai Ministry of Finance, you know, the presidency. Yes, sir. You have dealt with these situations, sir, because of experience.
I thought say we essential services are they sworn and oath said they won't go on
Doctors
strike and all that.
Doctors have sworn, but they also go.
But the point is, what are we doing about that? That is an empty.
What needs to be done is to meet them halfway. Because also to me ignore the other side of what they're looking for.
But ejuma na wo koye no wa wo ti ase say ejuma me koye ma hwe emra assign
say say times have changed. Na kukufu chira de wa. Na kasabre doctor Kronya akukuduro enka de bi da. Baby a people so kono enye won kwa say oppose for na so ya for
no. Ma chro say ejuma ya ye de ama me me say me ye. Me ko strike da. Wa chro sa. Na say o chene bi. O strike. Or as o mine no. So we NDC and NPP no. E de ne ye ya fam.
Last year
we cannot hear. Say soldier for me sorry and say ya.
Last year,
police not so mine now.
Last 2 years, nani na akoso. Well,
make sure I was saying, maybe I end on say your man is I am
minister. Me your man is here anymore. Me kai o.
And then Vondi appeal ko go yan fa.
Me kai o keke.
Se baby ya do say ka se be ye say.
Ya ba ya metra ha na Wontumi nye edu.
Dabi na mitimi.
O baby am betra na.
So on one
ya hwene yanka ni yi a. Ya kan yi omo.
Ya kan yi nti afras ye bo tape a kirewa. But let me make a passionate in Yanum Ness for your money offers. A Sremo Benyan and TSA a buying presidency, Ministry of Employment, and the fair wages, and the multinational. I'm not my Rahusimo. A buying stand, they say, what you are doing in us in implementation of Bayano 2026. January. Unfortunately, at that time, now so this condition of service agreement no more previously now ended, now expired. Into your mind, this is a priority situation. You will have no man penny say about sharing 120 days. We didn't so come the priority. Unfortunately, none else if was even any priority into one fan she would be. But the bar so much here, you wouldn't who say na anka hu be hia se ye be so ano ana ye be ye nia o mo hwehwe de ama enti aban keka ho na won so yensre won say at least bibi o ho mbetimi aye e de ago strike nim na o be come back akoye adwuma.
Okay, so Mameda Vondi so
BC for we no BC for we no kwaba wonim say aban no twa mu na ti o mu registration fee.
Yapon
registration